बोलो कैसे हो तुम लोग?
That's the note to start this episode on. That is the note to start this episode on. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the Radical Measures podcast. This is Gaurav Pawar, that's Noel Cordero, and our guest for this episode. That voice you heard, yes, you must have heard that voice on YouTube also,
On Instagram as well.
on
Reels.
Instagram as well. We heard it on stage.
And if you're someone like me, in your dreams as well.
If you have heard, if you've been a paranoid Christian, you have heard that in your dream as well. Today's guest is
ए पॅरेनॉट कोणाला बोलला? पॅरेनॉट बोलायचं नाही इकडे.
नॉर्मल शब्द वापरायचे, कळालं ना? घाबरलायस का?
अरे आपला वाघ आहे वाघ. याला काहीतरी नाही म्हणायचा. ॲज मच मराठी
या वाघाला ॲलोपेशिया झालंय.
अभी सबको वर्ड मालूम है.
I'm using that instead of,
Yeah.
that is what I want to, as a bald guy,
Yeah.
we should be
Yes.
asking for that. A compact Will Smith, like a portable,
Yeah.
like a Fresh Prince collectible doll that we can just carry, it should be like exorcism के लिए cross निकालता है ना, वैसा you just remove this whenever you're passing a salon or whatever.
I thought it'll be something that you put in water, it inflates and slaps someone. Like that kind of thing.
But we have deviated from
The introduction.
Sorry.
the name that goes with that voice. All right. Today's guest is Bhavish Ailani. Bhavish Ailani. You will see his Instagram handle over here. If you haven't seen him already, he's put out a lot of content on YouTube. Check out his work on YouTube and Instagram. Follow him on Instagram. He does a lot of Q&A sessions. He is a funny fellow. And you will hear many different voices throughout this episode.
Fair.
All right. So, Bhavish, first of all, welcome, man. Thank you for coming.
Thanks for having me.
We know each other since a very long time.
Yes,
we
yes.
met at Cuckoo Club, I believe.
Yes.
And you have always been incredibly nice.
Thanks.
So appreciate that.
Thanks.
The level of politeness that is necessary, especially when you're starting out in stand-up,
yes.
when you know you don't have anything.
Yes.
At that point of time, it's nice to hear somebody say, it's okay, you shouldn't have anything at this point. It's
that's
fine. It takes time.
I appreciate you saying that, because comedians, now I've been doing stand-up for 10 years, so most of it, I've hosted open mics are people try new material. I've hosted so many of them that I have this story from many comedians who are doing it for 3, 4, 5 years, ki, hey, you were the one who hosted my first open mic and you were nice to me. And I'm like, thanks for telling me, but मेरे दिमाग में I'm like, ये मुझे मालूम पड़ के क्या फर्क पड़ेगा, दूसरों को बताओ. And now the fact that you just said it in the beginning, few people will watch it online. I'm like, चलो मेरे nice होने का कुछ फायदा तो हुआ, किसी को पता तो चल रहा है, ये silently nice हो गया क्या मतलब.
And we placed it at the beginning of the episode.
exactly.
Drop off point बहुत आगे, bro. बहुत आगे.
No, thank you. I agree with Gaurav. Yes, he's right.
Nice human being. Okay.
Yes. Comedy we don't know, but इंसान खराब नहीं है. Yeah.
And that is important, man. I mean, comedy we try, and that is honest. More better than telling ki we know.
Correct.
Especially considering that the scene is such a fetus.
Yes.
So it's fine. Everybody who says we know, it's close to
probably
being a premature baby.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah, we don't really know how to do stand up. वो 12-14 साल में थोड़ा समझ में आता है.
हाँ, time लगता है थोड़ा बहुत.
Yeah, so that's why when people say ना कि जो थोड़ा टाइम एक जन नहीं actually ऐसे बोला, people नहीं है, just थोड़ा टाइम comedy छोड़ी और वापस चालू की, बोलता है, oh, I picked it up again very quickly because I know how to do stand up. Like, really, you know how to do 7 years? I know you're famous and all, but you know how to do stand up.
Yeah.
Great.
And you can't take a break.
I've heard that from someone who's
It was
doing
a
it for 2
pandemic.
years.
हाँ.
कि stand up तो मुझे करने आता ही है, वो थोड़ा practice नहीं था. Like, okay, Sachin
I was
Tendulkar.
born with this.
Yeah, तो cricket तो खेलने आता ही है.
But
I was just rusty.
so many times you have this and I think this is not just, we of course quote stand-up because we have a point of perspective towards it because we are involved in, but for anything I have seen proficiency in anything takes time. You can't be good at anything quickly, okay? And not only that, with anything you choose, with time you learn shit, bro. You can't like say like I'm done with learning.
Yeah.
I think the learning curve of stand-up is steeper because you do it for like 50 minutes at a time, half an hour at a time.
Yeah.
तो वो 10,000 आवर्स पहुंचने को ऐसी कोई चीज़ जो तू घर पे अकेले कर सकता है ना, लर्निंग कर्व इज फास्टर बिकॉज तेरे 10,000 आवर्स तू दिन में 9 घंटा स्टैंड अप नहीं प्रैक्टिस कर सकता है. देयर इज नो वे.
Yeah, you can't.
But you can be a great guitarist. I mean, तो if you become a great guitarist in 5 years, stand up उतना ही 12 साल लगेगा वो. तो that's an issue.
And the learning curve you mentioned, that is what brings, like, the learning curve of stand up is almost like if you're a blind person on a roller coaster ride, और वो start कर रहता है ना, डक 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 डक, that is there for a long time. Like at least in a normal roller coaster तेरा पहला 5 सेकंड 10 सेकंड का incline रहेगा. That is the fear that you live with in stand up for years together.
कि चालू ही रहेगा.
this is
How long will I go uphill?
And I remember I asked Karunesh this once. He was at one of the shows that him and Dudeja were doing. Thankfully, I got a spot. And I had just picked up a clammy bottle of water. वैसा ठंडा पानी रहता ना, पूरा हाथ गीला हो गया था. So then Karunesh put up his hand कि अरे hi Karunesh करिए. It's so nice to do that. Although I had met him before, but of course. And I was like, hey, hi. But I was like, मेरा हाथ गीला है थोड़ा. So he's like, no worries, dude. Even I sweat a lot. Well, like, I was like, हाँ. That also, but this is
This is different.
this is some other but I couldn't say that. No, I was like, yeah, of course, dude. Yeah, nervousness. So then I asked him like, yeah, this doesn't go away, right? He's like, no. I was like, it only gets worse, right? He's like, yeah. There's like stages of this where you think you have covered it, and you're like, no, you haven't got
You
it.
just unlocked a new demon.
It's like that video game में boss fight बदलते ही रहता है, bro. It's basically that.
I get it. I mean, लोग ये भी बोलते हैं ना कि स्टैंड अप में होने के लिए, I mean, I know you also don't agree with that कि स्टैंड अप में होने के लिए डिप्रेस्ड या एंग्री होना ज़रूरी है. मुझे I don't agree with that.
No.
But एक बात है कि लाइफ जितनी सॉर्ट आउट होते जाती है उतना स्टैंड अप करने का मन कम होता है. Doesn't mean you won't be good at it. पर करने का मन कम होता है because you're like यार मैं मतलब लोगों, because तू जाके पार्क करेगा किधर और लोगों को बताएगा कि मेरे मन में क्या चल रहा है, और कभी कभी वो बताने का इम्पल्स ही चला जाता है. मैं क्यों बताऊं इन लोगों को. मे बी मुझ में ऐसा थॉट इसलिए आ रहा है बिकॉज आई एम लाइक मुझे सर्टेन अमाउंट ऑफ व्यूज आके मेरे वीडियोस रुक जाते हैं और सालों से वही हो रहा है. तो हम लाइक कि इससे ज्यादा तो लोग देख ही नहीं रहे तो मैं करूँ क्यों. बट मे दैट आल्सो मे नॉट बी ट्रू बिकॉज रील्स थोड़े बढ़ गए हैं व्यूज में. सो
No, dude, your incline is also there. It's just that the time ka thing plays with our head a lot, and you just need to sort of become a bit more sage-like with the passage of time, you know, because our adrenaline.
Thing, dude.
Yeah, no, it's
age का ही लगता है because most people start stand up at a younger age. तो तभी the thing of wanting to say what you want to say is so much more stronger.
Yeah, you're right.
Like as you get older, you're just like, yeah, okay, it's fine if people don't hear.
Don't know what I have to say. You're right.
Correct.
You become more secure with keeping your views in your head.
Yeah,
you're
right. Fine with it.
That is also valid point.
But then you become technically more sound, and you also like when इतने साल stand up में डाले, तो this is what I love. I enjoy doing it, so I'll find. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि हर bit should make a point or anything like that. Which
at a young age you want, you're impulsive with catharsis.
True.
You know, like with अरे मतलब थोड़ा पढ़ाई लिखाई किया है, literate person showing off, थोड़ा बहुत vocabulary.
विद catharsis वही है कि मतलब खुद का पॉडकास्ट देख के आदमी गूगल करे बाद में कि उस दिन गौरव से पूछने को शर्म आई मेरे को, तो मैं बाद में घर जाके देखा और देख लेते इसका मतलब क्या है. इंपल्सिव विद catharsis तभी का तभी वो चाहिए, समझ गया. catharsis मतलब you know catharsis bro. Yeah, I mean Noel might
I believe it's pronounced katasi.
I'm sorry.
Excuse me. Yeah.
So whatever you just said, that thing, it's like a sense of release.
Yes.
Yeah, and immediate means impulsive means immediate.
हाँ,
तो ये भी तू कर सकता था, तो चाहता था.
और नहीं इमीडिएट भी नहीं, इट्स
आयरोली में बैठ के देखो दिखाना था सबको. I just had to bring that up because I came all the way from Mumbai, you know.
And I tried to give that to your experience, you know. I tried to add vocabulary to your experience, bro.
This needs to be more richer, dude. Because he's coming from so
far. Exactly. I just added that vocabulary because the man undertook a journey from Airoli, all right? So I was like, let me just add that milestone to.
Like I think every guest that comes now, I want to ask them how long it took, just because I want to be like, someone else is saying that took a long time, and it's not me.
No, it takes quite a while.
Because generally speaking, it works in our favor also. Whenever we are traveling for a spot in the evening, we are traveling against the crowd.
Got it.
Because most of the crowd is coming to Thane, where they live. and we are going away from. You know?
Yeah.
So we get
I think
Thali
while
train.
going back to Mumbai, if they are going to Thane, you should just put your khidki down like, I'm sorry to know that. I'm sorry that you have to go through that. Yeah.
Relatable
Yeah,
hai.
yeah.
That is the most privileged moment of my day as a Mumbaikar
Yeah.
is when I am traveling against the flow of the crowd to tell jokes. You know?
Oh, yeah, that is
how
fair.
amazing it feels
You're right.
when I just have my favorite playlist
Got it.
and just on the other side of the tracks going in the other direction I see people hanging for their life.
Yeah.
You know, and people with legit jobs. Like these people have sent emails to San Francisco.
No, they're
कि-
talking right now.
हाँ
Like, you know,
लटकते
it's
हुए.
like they're trying to connect with whatever San Francisco and
Yes.
whatnot while also not falling down.
Yes. While also being very quintessential Mumbaikar. You know कि अरे आज मेरे को टाइमिंग के हिसाब से घर पे पहुंच के ईमेल भेजना पड़ेगा हेड ऑफिस को कैलिफोर्निया में और उसके पहले मैं सुनेगा अगला स्टेशन दीवा. That is experience.
I used to
Become
work
the
in this
global
bank.
citizen.
I used to work in this bank, which was like a British bank
Huh.
and investment bank, and I was in middle office. So we were connecting our back office, which used to sit with us only,
Huh.
and front office was traders in London. The
Okay.
trading desk. हम लोग लंदन के हिसाब से काम करते थे. तो my boss like give me a fake name. Ritu.
Rajesh.
Ritu.
हाँ.
So it's a woman. So वो क्या होता था कि वो आदमी फोन करके बोलता था कैन आई स्पीक टू रितु प्लीज, और एक बार लोग ट्रांसफर करते रहते थे कॉल, तो एक बार गलती से किसी ने कैंटीन में ट्रांसफर कर दिया. और कैंटीन वाले में पीछे से वो अंकल चिल्लाते रहता है अरे चिकन क्रिप्स रेडे, नूडल रेडे, शेजवान रेडे. तो और एंड हम लोग कैंटीन को क्यों फोन करते थे कि अंकल ये चीज रेडी रखो, मैं कूपन ला रहा हूँ, तब तक आऊंगा तो मेरे को रुकना नहीं पड़ेगा.
सोडेक्सो कूपन सब सॉर्ट. हाँ.
नहीं, इट वाज अगेंस्ट
Food coupon, ये
हाँ,
canteen
food coupon,
coupon,
sorry.
मैं बोला अंकल आप रेडी रखो, तो आप मैं ये डेस्क से बोल रहा हूँ, आप रेडी रखो, मैं आ रहा हूँ. तो किसी ने उधर ट्रांसफर कर दिया, तो वो आदमी उठाया बोलता है हेलो, और पीछे से सब आ रहा है नूडल रेडी. कैन आई स्पीक टू रितु प्लीज. अरे रितु कौन? रितु मैडम बोल रहे क्या? ये लंदन में ये सब सुन रहे हो ना, हम लोग आउटसोर्स किया ये काम. हम लोग बहुत सपनों के साथ ये काम आउटसोर्स किया
It's
था.
time to move to China.
Yeah,
With
exactly.
our back office.
ये पीछे नूडल रेडी क्यों चिल्ला रहा है आदमी, पता नहीं. रेडी भी नहीं, रेडी. It was always that rhythm, right? And
Yeah,
the guy
yeah.
who does रेडी उसका नॉर्मल टॉकिंग वॉइस और बिजनेस वॉइस बहुत अलग है.
Yeah.
अगर तू पहली बार जॉब पे आए फर्स्ट
Yeah.
डे और तू
हाँ.
अगर बोले कि अंकल ये लेना, बोला अच्छा क्या चाहिए आपको, बोला ये साबुदाना खिचड़ी ये वो, मैं रुकता हूँ.
हाँ.
फिर तू जाके बैठ जा, साबुदाना खिचड़ी रेडी. ये कोई और आदमी ने किया है क्या?
Yeah.
बोला, अंकल ये आपने ही किया क्या? मतलब मैं आपसे बात कर रहा था,
That
ये
is
वही आदमी है.
that is him bringing flair to the job.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's his
Yeah,
what
yeah,
क्या
that's
बोलते हैं
his,
ना?
Time pass.
Expression of creativity.
Yes.
It's also
हाँ.
it's an impulsive.
Yes.
क्या बोला था ना? Impulsive catharsis.
Yes.
मैं भी सीख रहा ब्रो.
ऑर्डर देते देते कतारसिस ढूंढ लिया उसने. रेडी मैं कतारसिस ढूंढ
ready,
लिया.
yeah.
रेडी या. So this sound का thing, alright, I've always been interested in this. Sound plays such a big role in a lot of different ways in which you create jokes, alright, and it's such a great medium to craft jokes also. When was the first time, this is an anecdote you shared, working anecdote,
Yeah.
alright, but when was the first time in your memory you can recollect where you saw, like, apart from your usual sounds that make us laugh, you know, because since childhood what is used to make us laugh is noises and sound,
Yeah,
like your
yeah,
parents come ooh ah, all of these sounds they make.
ऐसे तो नहीं किया था, but I
हाँ,
get your
मतलब-
point.
Yeah.
See, of course you don't.
No, because my parents
Bhavesh, you
were
don't
neglectful.
remember.
Neglectful, that's why. Not
Oh,
because
अच्छा इतना.
His sound was silence.
Yeah, he's right. My sound was the sound of absence.
I think that is where your sound making also comes
Comes
from.
from, yeah. It's on
खाली
their
room
behalf,
में
yeah.
ready
Yeah.
ready for attention.
That sounds like love.
Yeah.
Fair.
Anyway.
No, but I get that. So when was the first time you saw your first recollection of a sound which genuinely made you laugh? Like, was it something as weird as this where somebody
Like
just...
in my life ever.
Yeah.
मतलब मुझे the first नहीं मालूम, but the one that stayed with
Yeah.
me is always what Paresh Rawal does in his movies. So चलो हेरा फेरी तो is a accent of speaking, it's not a sound. But आवारा पागल दीवाना,
हाँ.
where you know those scenes which is which is very similar to the camera voice, which is like तू सुनता नहीं है, दुकान पे बेच के आया साला, इधर कचरा नहीं डालने का. Why is he talking like this? The whole movie.
Yeah. He's just one register
Yeah.
higher, na?
And the thing is, आवारा पागल दीवाना कर मुझे यही बात पसंद है कि एक जोक को 2.5 घंटे तक कैसे ड्रैग किया जा सकता है. चल ठीक है, उसकी आवाज ऐसी है और वो नाम बोलता है. अब ये जोक को तू ज्यादा से ज्यादा, अगर तू कोई बहुत कॉमेडी जीनियस है तो 15 मिनट ड्रैग करेगा. बट परेश रावल ने 2.5 घंटा ड्रैग किया. अरे तोल मोल नहीं अनमोल, अरे तो कौन सा भी मोलो. You heard this joke once in the movie, again after, and you're still laughing every single time.
Yeah, there's Kaju Katri, Chota Chhatri, something and all that stuff which is just nuts.
And I noticed couple of moments in Avara Pagal, because the more you watch it, you realize कि everything, this is Paresh Rawal improvising, everything is not written. Like एक कोई सीढ़ी से चढ़ के आता है वो नीचे, उसको मिलने के लिए आफ्ताब शिवदसानी को, तो वो सीढ़ी बहुत लंबी होती है, तो वो ऐसे भाग के आता है, अरे धमाजी, and he keeps coming and he's like, ओहो कितनी लंबी सीढ़ी है ये, you know? And I'm like, there is no way this is written.
Yeah.
He's improvising and it's a great director. It's a great moment where Paresh Rawal is in top form. The director is allowing him to do whatever he wants. Movie is also allowing. I'm like, why was only Avar Pagal Deewana, Hera Fairy, 4-5 pictures थी Paresh Rawal की, where he was the Judai. But I'm like, a man who's that funny should have at least 15 classic movies or like, but they don't give him comedy. जो comedy में kill कर रहा है तुम उसको कुछ और दे देते हो, जो इसमें kill कर रहा है तुम उसको कुछ और दे देते हो.
नहीं उसका like even Malamal Weekly is one movie that's just not spoken about.
It.
Oh, you got to check it out. That is Paresh Rawal. That's everybody being greatest hits. Paresh Rawal, Om Puri, Asrani just doing amazing work.
You think
it's another Priyadarshan movie?
Those moments like the staircase ka improvisation, it just comes out of multiple takes.
Yeah, that also.
Take कितना लंबा
And he's staying in that Gujarati accent, which is funny. Oh ho, कितनी लंबी सीढ़ी है ये. That character has to be Gujarati to like be funny.
And in all of our languages, I've noticed sound, like of course, language deals with sound only.
Yes.
But अपने इधर in Indian languages, there are so many emotions that you attach to just noises. And because there are many different languages, they take different sounds or noises. Like,
True.
You know, oh ho, Maharashtrian you'll hear, are re.
Yeah.
It's coming from the emotion is the same, but the sound is...
if you want like a Maharashtrian accent that I find funny, like the voice is like a uncle who's like, अरे ऐसा कैसा, you know,
that heavy गुटका वाला voice.
I get really scared. I feel like I'm doing something wrong.
No, it's not.
You imagine a bold chain.
You immediately want to say sorry to the person.
Sorry.
Yeah, exactly. Like, please जाओ दिया मला, मैं क्या गलती कर दूँ.
I have seen that very clearly. I mean, there are different ways in which you are exposed to fear, no? In different moments, you're afraid of different things. You know, like I remember, like in Maharashtrian neighborhoods, you're aware of not making certain mistakes.
Okay.
You know, when you're in certain neighborhoods, you are reacting to your circumstance, your environment. क्या भाई मेरे को इधर से फुकट में नखरा करने चाहिए. Let's be polite, get through things properly. But there are certain like words in Marathi language, maybe because I am a Maharashtrian kid, like that has been my base introduction to emotions, and fear is also one of them. You know, and especially with my parents being cops and whatnot, there are certain sounds and certain words like "Arey kashala." That kashala is like "Arey kasha." I don't know. Kashala is why. You know why it happened. Like I don't know why. Like
that part of your brain that lies suddenly just comes.
Even if it's about something good that happens in the future, like if you get a gift for your wife. She's like, Kashala. You're like, sorry. Like, okay.
I'll give it back right now.
Exactly. I just assume that's how a wife is going to sound. I'm sorry about that. But I realized even my deep my voice is so soft that even my deep voice wasn't deep enough. Where I was like, but yeah, you get my point.
Yeah, I get it.
Yeah, Gaurav didn't jump from his seat.
Yes.
So clearly it's not scary.
No, he has helped me.
Yeah.
He has given me impulsive catharsis.
Yeah.
This is the last callback to that phrase.
He did what do they say, no? That you exposure therapy. He gave you a softer version of that voice.
Yes.
So that now you get over your fear of it completely.
Yeah, now I have just locked that bit in my head. You know, so whenever I hear that voice, I'll just implant it with Bhavish's voice, and now it's funny to me. Appreciate it, brother. You have helped me out of another tight corner.
This, do you remember in Sasbi Vibhuti, there was one lady who was the comic relief whose only thing was to say arara.
मैंने वो पूरा एपिसोड कभी नहीं देखा, मैं मेरे घर पे देखते थे तो वो हाँ मतलब she used to
That was her
Gujarati thing.
career.
But that's really boring. Like when you take this, when you stereotype, and that's really boring. I feel कि तुम एक ही phrase लेकर repeat करते रहो. I feel वो character पूरी तरह से वो culture को समझता है. जैसे even Hera Fairy, then you find it funnier because there are nuances that that person has studied to be that character. So
एकदम बराबर. मगर उधर चॉइस भी ऐसा होता है ना. Imagine you're a theatre actor, regional Gujarati theatre actor who has ambition of course to make some money. और अभी मैं तेरे को बोल रहा है कि भाई मेरे को तेरा जो कॉमिक रिलीफ चाहिए. नहीं of course. But I'm saying what a weird thing na that you finally get a chance to fulfill your ambition of becoming an actor well known. चल छोटा रोल तो छोटा रोल, कॉमिक रील RRR तो RRR, but at least मैं लोखंड वाला में फ्लैट खरीद के मस्त पैकी.
fair point.
But 7 years of the same RRR,
Yeah.
you start becoming a better person because now you know the exchange you have made.
Yeah.
अरे रे ये इंटरेस्ट तो कुछ और ही मांग रहा है ब्रो. मैं कंटाला आ गया अभी.
Yeah.
You know the director is coming in the 7th whatever season 700th episode and telling अलग करो ना इसमें RRR थोड़ा अलग.
My other words have no meaning.
That's true. And that's how people जब कोई कैच फ्रेज की वजह से पॉपुलर होता है तो लोग उसको वो चीज बुलाने लगते हैं कि ए अरारा लाइक व्हाटएवर कैच फ्रेज दे कॉल यू ए दैट they don't even know your name.
It's like they're pointing at you.
Yeah.
That is when you feel like you're living in a zoo outside. You know मैं celebrity है मगर मैं वो वैसा टाइप का
पर मेरे को
celebrity है.
तोते की तरह बात कर.
नहीं वो न्यूयॉर्क में पहला लायन लाया ना वैसा सेलिब्रिटी है मैं कि अरे न्यूयॉर्क में तो आ गया मगर इधर दहाड़ के पब्लिक ए दहाड़ा वापस कर वापस. It would be so demoralizing to hear applause if you're a lion, no? कि मैं ये आवाज करके फटता है सबका हाथी का फटता है ब्रो. ये लोग ताली क्यों बजा रहा है? It would be so emasculating as a lion. I think the next thing we'll see is
lions and the lioness are not mating.
Yeah.
You took him away.
Like the lioness is calling the lion pussy. Pussy. Like the lion starts going bald. You know, he starts losing his mane. He's no longer like he's just not feeling it.
I think the only advantage of this is like when you have a stable gig like you said ना 700 episodes because Indian TV shows तो रोज एपिसोड होता है ना. ऐसा कोई 20 एपिसोड का सीजन नहीं है. 600 700 सीजन 1 ही होता है हमेशा उसका. सीजन 1 ही चल रहा है अभी तक. To be sure. The advantage of that is because of a stable paycheck. I feel that whatever passion project you want to follow you can, but I have heard कि TV schedules are so crazy 12-14 घंटा that you can't be like कि मैं रात को stage actor हूँ और दिन को मैं TV show पे हूँ. I feel your schedule is just eaten up, right? Fully.
Whenever we meet writers, no, like sometimes of like people who are working on daily soap schedules.
Oh, you guys wrote?
No, we haven't. But by chance party पे मिला या फिर चलो office पे कोई लोग आया है ऐसा types. So I hear about such horror stories that people have had to write certain scenes on set. While the previous scene is being shot and and you feel so as a writer you empathize so much that I just offer them a cigarette. Like what can I do to dull this pain of yours that has been brought about by something you love? You know कि how can you like imagine ना भावेश कि पहला scene shoot कर रहा है तू and you have to like come up with or script दो अभी. You can't make that
Johnny
schedule.
Lever के साथ भी लोग ऐसा करते थे. He said it on the AIB podcast or something I think कि you know वो लोग आधी स्क्रिप्ट ही लिखते थे और या कॉमेडी वाला पार्ट खाली छोड़ देते थे. फिर जैसे सीन शूट हो रहा था बोला अरे इसको लिख भी दो ना. The writers were so disrespected that was not treated as a separate job with a paycheck. That was just like on set we'll figure it out because and Johnny Lever is so talented he'll take care of it that kind of thing.
Johnny भाई
But
कुछ
that's
करके
not
दिखाओ
fair.
ऐसा वाला.
Of course it's
They
not
exploit
fair.
comedians and writers or they have in the past पर आजकल फिर भी कोई अच्छे shows है जहाँ पे writers also make money. Scam 92 types. I mean I don't know how much they made but I'm sure like those
No, there is a little
streaming
more
platforms
this.
must have helped writers get paid little bit more fairly than before.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm hearing about Audible deals that are shocking me, like podcast deals.
Yeah, but it's a bubble, dude. It's a reactionary bubble to content at the moment. You know, where you see suddenly and it's fine, it's fair. It's a part of that cycle of, you know, it's stabilizing because now money is getting flushed into OTT platforms, but you don't know what sort of content. So it's in that purge mode, you know, where you're seeing so many OTT platforms are coming out, but क्या बन रहा है, कितना connect हो रहा है, कितना नहीं हो रहा है. Then people are just going for cringe on OTT. So that's, I think, going to take some time to settle. And even this thing, this bubble was seen in a lot of different places also. LA comics have seen that, New York comics have seen that, where people suddenly started getting...
You know how LA and New York comedy, अपने को तो पता ही है.
No, I think you're talking about the people
Hollywood
getting,
time. People getting deals,
sitcom
development
deals
deals
and
and
all. I know.
sitcoms and whatnot.
क्रिस रॉक को भी मिला था 40 मिलियन के दो क्या हो गया आज देख लाफा खा के आया ना 40 मिलियन के दो स्पेशल एक तो उसने किया अभी टैम्बोरिन
हाँ
और फिर लाफा खा के आया ना लड़का नाम
तो
किया
अभी वही उसी का
That is when you realize success will not take away.
लाफा या नो बट विल स्मिथ अभी इतना ओवर कॉम्पेंसेट कर रहा है कि वो सॉरी पे भी सॉरी और अकेडमी इन्वेस्टिगेशन उसकी पीआर टीम उसको बोलती होगी कि तू बोलते रहे सॉरी और अपने ऊपर इन्वेस्टिगेशन मान शान से ले बिकॉज सिंपैथी वेव तेरी तरफ क्रिएट होगी ना जब भी तुम गुस्सा होते हो तो उसकी तरफ सिंपैथी आती है बाद में और वो जबरदस्ती 1000 बार सॉरी बोल रहा है कि लोग फिर उसकी तरफ sympathy but I don't let's not get tricked by that a
No,
person who
no,
does
no.
such a thing I don't have any sympathy for him because the pain in the future that he has created for comics the amount of like people who are going to copycat crime this shit is surely going to happen
Also, he has made such a big mistake because in that one moment, he tried to seem street Philadelphia. In that moment, but he just has now through that one slap, he has lost his slapping privileges for the rest of his life because he's just one slap away from people telling हाँ ये तो अभी चमाटी मारते फिरता है ये तो कुछ करता ही नहीं और because a slap is such a thing no that you have to use it very a punch is still you can you know but a slap is very specific like you can't go slapping people right? It's an insulting weapon
and people are like I don't think people like because Chris Rock I don't know how popular he is in India I don't think इतना but लोगों को ये incident ज़्यादा popular हुआ right people are like अरे उसने Oscars के host को मारा I'm like he hit a living legend of comedy it's not like it's just some guy कि 1-2 साल से कोई YouTube channel चालू कर दिया और hello this is today's gossip ऐसा नहीं है it's Chris Rock like what value he has to comedians I don't think people everywhere understand that so it's even more irritating that it's like slapping one of the comedy heroes of lot of comedians it's like मतलब you know मतलब there could be an analogy कि कोई you know कोई ब्रैड पिट को जाके लाफा मार दिया तो कोई एक्टर लोग को कैसा लगेगा you know और लियोनार्डो को जाके लाफा मार दिया it's like that it's no joke
True.
so it was
I think that's also the difference between actors and comedians तू एक्टर का 20 फीट भी नजदीक गया ना कोई भी हो there will just bodyguards will appear you know like smoke bombs and excuse me please because studios are invested in it everybody is invested in you as a person you know so even though you're not a comedian who's invested agent manager
हाँ but
you know
depends on the comedian अब scale भी है ना Dave Chappelle के आजू बाजू तो बहुत security होगी
of course
हाँ तो depend on the scale
Dave Chappelle is not getting slapped
yeah Dave Chappelle is not
he is not getting slapped no
but he's also not hosting the Oscars
of course
yeah he doesn't need to and और उसको फालतू का cancel
but I don't think you have seen the like Will Smith has seen the end of fallout of this because now
this has become a
TV
meme
studios
already,
you as a black actor have given leverage to studios now you know where you're like oh you are a path breaking pioneer fellow you know who was just creating a lot of places for other fellow
they've put his movies on hold that has happened
Yeah. Oh,
shit, that's
couple of
happened.
them.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Netflix has
Yeah.
put something
good
on hold.
good they want to see how
Good,
it
I
pans
don't know.
out.
I don't like this bloodthirsty attitude of he should suffer. I don't want him to suffer.
No, there should be some repercussion.
Yeah, but
कुछ
when
तो
people
हो
are unable to work, I don't know if that's like
नहीं
that's not
उसका
my
काम
favorite
कौन रोक रहा है
repercussion.
dude he is not going to वो
हाँ, but it's like अगर तू पिक्चर में होने वाला था और
Yeah.
पिक्चर तेरे से छीन ली गई. That's not the repercussion because that's just punishment. That is
Yeah.
not going to cause any change in your mentality or healing. That's just
Yeah.
like the criminal justice system or something. I don't know if
no
it
but there
that.
should be something
There's
na?
nothing about rehabilitation.
अभी
हाँ,
कुछ
you're
तो
right.
होए.
कुछ तो होए, but
I'm
is
talking-
taking away the movie. I don't know if that's the best
No, the
solution.
fact that no, I'm not talking about the fact that this hurts Will. I'm saying okay, chalo, somebody is saying that okay, we can't go like Netflix is saying we can't go ahead.
20
business
million
as
जाएगा
usual.
रे
Yeah, maybe हाँ maybe
20
नुकसान
million जाएगा
कि वो एक
हाँ।
कॉन्शियस तो
नुकसान
दिख
के
रहा है
हिसाब से हाँ
वो हिसाब से बोल
और तेरे को अगर चॉइस में बोलूं स्विमिंग पूल वाला घर चाहिए कि एक जोक सुन के हंस के निकाल दे तू क्या चूज करेगा स्विमिंग पूल वाला ऑफ कोर्स सवाल ही नहीं उठता है एंड द वन थिंग दैट people are missing I think this whole thing is why do these Oscars and Golden Globes they get comedians to host is because otherwise if you look at the entertainment industry it is one of the biggest money industries out there the investment is as big as the payoff you're talking in millions and billions on a large scale right and that you're getting paid as a storyteller everybody is a part of the storytelling process from the actor director spot boy everybody's trying to tell a story so you see how less of a practical impact it has directly on the society it's a bit of an indulgent thing to do money wise, but art is important. That is why we pay for it, that is why audience comes for it, that is why they get कि अरे हाँ चल मजा आया movie देख के वगैरह. But it's such a trip where you are disconnected from reality for a year and a half while you're making a movie. You're disconnected from reality so much that you need an anchoring device to bring you down. Like, yeah buddy, we are giving you an award for acting, but that is it. You haven't saved Yemen.
Correct.
You know, ऐसा तू मतलब फेमिनिज्म का वेव लाके अभी मतलब बुर्खा ऐसा निकाल के सब लोग कुछ नहीं किया है तू एक्टिंग किया है ब्रो, तेरे को इसके लिए अवार्ड मिल रहा है, और तेरे को नीचे लाने के लिए उधर कॉमेडियन है, क्योंकि कॉमेडियन ऑलरेडी नीचे है
वो तो है.
तो
वो ऑलरेडी अंडरडॉग.
हाँ, तो तेरा ईगो चेक रखने के लिए वो उधर है ब्रो, क्योंकि तेरे को ईगो भी चाहिए, मिलियंस भी चाहिए, स्विमिंग पूल गेटेड कम्युनिटी भी चाहिए, और गरीब लोग और ऐसा है ये भी चाहिए. अरे सब थोड़े मिलेगा ब्रो.
वो बात फेयर है, बट द पार्ट दैट मेड मी लाफ अबाउट अ लॉट ऑफ अस आवर सीन रिएक्टिंग टू दिस इंसिडेंट इज वेयर कपल ऑफ कॉमिक्स सेड दिस, यू नो, दे वर लाइक, ओ अगर मैं उधर होता, I'm like तू उधर नहीं है उसका एक कारण है, तू इधर है, और बिकॉज तू इधर है तू उधर होने के बारे में ऐसे बोल सकता है. तू अगर उधर होता तो तू ऐसे नहीं बात कर रहा होता, क्योंकि विल स्मिथ के स्लैपिंग विसिनिटी में जब हम आ जाए सब, मेरी तो हाइट 5'4" है, मैं जाता हूँ जिम थोड़ा पर विल स्मिथ जितना नहीं. हाँ, और मतलब जो भी है मेरी बॉडी वो विल स्मिथ जितना डेवलप नहीं हो चुका है मेरा फिजिकल. जो मेरे को ऊपर वाले ने दिया है वो लेके मैं घूमता हूँ समाज में. थोड़ी शर्म आती है, हम आगे बढ़ते रहते हैं, बट मैं बॉम्बे में बैठा हूँ इसमें बोल सकता हूँ अरे अगर मैं विल स्मिथ के सामने होता, क्योंकि मैं इधर बैठा हूँ. अगर एक तो मुझे कोई ऑस्कर्स दे नहीं रहा है होस्ट करने के लिए, मेरा कल वाकोला में ओपन माइक था, ठीक है, तो ऑस्कर थोड़ा दूर हो गया, पर अगर मैं वहां पे होता तो मेरा भी शायद रिएक्शन क्रिस रॉक जैसे होता शायद. या तो मैं उसको घूमने के लिए रेडी होता, फिर माइक फेंकता उसके ऊपर जाता और भाग जाता. बट अगर अरे मैं तो विल स्मिथ पे चढ़ी जाता, अरे मैं 2 देता, मैं गुड़गांव से, डजंट मैटर.
ये जो लोग भी बोल रहे हैं ना,
वो अली प्ले किया, वो बॉक्सर बॉक्सिंग.
एग्जैक्टली, मोहम्मद अली का रोल प्ले किया वो लोग. और ये लोग जो लोग भी बोल रहे हैं ना,
आई एम नॉट सपोर्टिंग व्हाट ही डिड, बट वी वुड नॉट बी एबल टू बीट अप विल स्मिथ.
आई विल टेल यू द हिपोक्रेसी ऑफ दैट स्टेटमेंट is ये लोग जो बोल रहे हैं ना, they'll stand in a line to get slapped by Will Smith. They'll keep that moment as DP thumbnail रहेगा वो लोग का next YouTube वीडियो का.
Exactly, thumbnail
मार खाया है.
Twitter पे लोग thumbnail बना देते हैं. मैं अजीज अंसारी के लिए मैंने ओपन किया था. I shouldn't say this, but ठीक है, whatever.
बोल दे अबे.
और तो मैं तो अजीज अंसारी को तो पर्सनली मिला था, राइट? तो मेरा तो उसका फोटो ग्रीन रूम में ही था.
Let me set up the context.
But a lot of comedians.
No. See, this is weird humility which doesn't allow somebody to appreciate a moment in their life. And this is a very comic affliction. Specific leprosy है वो, comic leprosy है कि अपन दूसरे पे डिपेंड करता है. सो यू गॉट अ चांस टू ओपन फॉर हिम एट कुकू क्लब व्हेन ही वाज डाउन, एंड ही वाज वन ऑफ द कपल ऑफ कॉमिक्स हु गॉट अ चांस टू ओपन फॉर अजीज अंसारी, एंड इट्स अ ट्रिप वर्दी मोमेंट.
नहीं अच्छा था, मजा
आया.
Yeah, Aziz also gave a special thanks in the.
So Aziz Ansari is so nice as a guy that he put जब उससे ओपनिंग एक्ट्स को थैंक किया अपने नेटफ्लिक्स क्रेडिट्स में. I mean, I don't know for what reason मेरा नाम सबसे ऊपर लिखा out of like 20. Not alphabetical, मेरा नाम B से चालू होता है. No, I think that's pure coincidence. But the good part on his part is to give credit is कि क्या होता है, it helps people like me कि हमें अगर कोई इंक्वायरी आती है कहीं से तो हम अपने उसमें लिख सकते हैं कि ये हमारा एक नेटफ्लिक्स क्रेडिट है. तो उसके लिए मैटर नहीं करता, उसके क्रेडिट्स में 100-150 लोग हैं, बट ये छोटा सा जेस्चर बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कॉमेडियंस के लिए, बिकॉज इट माइट हेल्प मी क्लोज अ गिग दैट आई माइट हैव नॉट क्लोज की एक एक्स्ट्रा चीज. अरे अजीज अंसारी के लिए भी ओपन किया, शायद इसको ट्राई करके देखते हैं. सो कॉमेडियंस अंडरस्टैंड टू गिव लेजर, बिकॉज आई हैड डन अनदर थिंग यहाँ पे फॉर अनदर स्ट्रीमिंग प्लेटफॉर्म. आई हैड नाउ आई कैन नॉट से द नेम ऑफ द प्लेटफॉर्म बिकॉज मेरे को क्रेडिट नहीं दिया, बट आई हैड डन वार्म अप फॉर द स्टूडियो ऑडियंस. Yeah, but I mean, you can't name the show. So for a studio audience of a show that was being shot for a streaming platform, very
of
well
course we haven't named.
Yeah, of course. Like I mean,
the not Netflix, but we haven't named anything.
No, I'm not naming anything.
We are also not.
Think comedy.
Yeah.
No, I'm not naming anything. But so that was the studio who produced it. They were the ones who give credit, not the streaming platform. Streaming platform doesn't care. Streaming platform is outsourcing the process of making it. So भले कोई भी platform हो, you can't blame them.
Yeah.
But the production house who brought me on board to do the warm up, अगर उसने एक लाइन डाल दी होती warm up act for studio audience, तो again it would be a credit. ये छोटे छोटे क्रेडिट ज्वाइन करके हम आगे बढ़ते हैं करियर. बट वो हमारा सीन है ना, हमारे सीन में हमारी वैल्यू नहीं है कोई भी, मतलब अनलेस यू ऑलरेडी हैव 3 मिलियन व्यूज यू आर अ नोबडी। बट जहाँ पे सिर्फ कॉमेडी के लिए रिस्पेक्ट है, वहाँ पे ओपनिंग एक्ट को भी मतलब 20 नाम जन का नाम लिख दिया उसने अपने क्रेडिट्स में, बिकॉज उसको मालूम है हमारे करियर में हमको हेल्प करेगा इन अ स्मॉल वे।
And
तो दैट रियली मैटर्स,
it also
shows your like value system.
बराबर.
no, and it pays off in the longer scene also, because if the people participating in the community of stand-up, if they get more gigs, scene gets stronger, more audience comes, everybody wins.
ये मैंने आकाश के पॉडकास्ट में भी आकाश ने बोला, एंड सिंस देन माय एटीट्यूड हैज चेंज्ड अबाउट दिस।
Yeah.
आई अग्री, इन प्रिंसिपल यू आर राइट कि अगर कोई भी कमेडियन सक्सेसफुल हो तो ये अट्रैक्ट एन ऑडियंस टू स्टैंड अप दैट इज फ्रेश एंड देन दे माइट वॉच यू नेक्स्ट। ये बात सब अच्छी बात है, बट इतने
नहीं,
पॉजिटिव
वैसा नहीं बोल रहा
नहीं,
मैं.
बट आई एम सेइंग इट, मतलब सॉरी
No, yeah. So what I meant to say was, if the scene is ready to recognize people who've been working at it for a long time diligently, and if these small pull-ups, a hand is given here or there for work. ऐसा नहीं कि फुकट में, yeah, this is credit.
No, this is just credit.
नहीं, मतलब credit in the sense it works for you like that.
Yeah,
कि
yeah.
this becomes a credit
Yeah,
in
my
for
bio
a gig and whatnot. I
Yes,
can
yes,
tell this, So in a way, whatever scale of the work is there, if it is applauded publicly, it helps you.
Yes.
If it helps you, you in turn get better gigs. The community in turn
You
gets
just create
some
a
good fallout.
good
of it.
culture.
ये बात सच होगी, लेकिन कॉमेडियंस, बहुत सारे कॉमेडियंस ये एटीट्यूड के साथ कॉमेडी नहीं करते हैं।
Of course.
लोग कॉमेडी प्योरली अपने लिए करते, व्हिच इज फाइन, बिकॉज़ दे डोंट इवन, सम ऑफ देम प्रिटेंड लाइक दे आर सम एल्ट्रूवर्ड्स, मेनी ऑफ देम लाइक मैं कॉमेडी करता हूँ पैसा कमाने के लिए, या कॉमेडी में मुझे मजा आता है, मैं करता हूँ, मैं करते, यही कारण है कि मेरी जिंदगी सुधरे इससे, व्हिच इज फाइन। आई एम सेइंग कि ये बात गलत नहीं है जो तू बोल रहा है, बट बहुत लोग ये इरादे से कॉमेडी नहीं करते कि
Of
सबका
course.
फायदा होगा, उनको अपना फायदा, बट ठीक है अगर तेरे फायदे में दूसरों का फायदा हो ही रहा है तो खराबी क्या है, लाइक इट्स फाइन, लाइक
That is when you realize.
The awareness is not there, na?
हाँ.
Ki what impact I, as a person who sells 100 tickets or whatever, can have on the other comedians. Like I think many people
a lot
are.
of people know that also, a lot of people don't
Huh,
know.
but it's still not reached. The scene has not reached that maturity where people understand. Okay, at this level, I can. मेरा ये impact होता है. Like the first people who are feeling that and experiencing that are still around now. Like वो कैसे एक होता है ना कि before Elvis there was no Elvis. तो वैसे वाला scene.
It's that settling time.
Yeah.
The
So
scene
who's
is
the
still
Elvis do
settling.
you think of our scene? Let's get a little gossipy and get
I guess Zakir hands down. He's the Elvis.
really.
हाँ.
What a great analogy.
पागल लोग हैं.
I mean,
dude.
you mean
People are
to say
mad to
fan
him.
following?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Rabid fan following for Zakir.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can't-
Fan
that's
following
undeniable.
wise.
I've seen him get a minute standing ovation at Cuckoo just when he walked on stage, to the extent that he
I
just.
opened for him twice at Cuckoo and it was just awful. Like because they don't want to watch you at all.
Barabar,
You are just a interruption between them
Him
and
and
Zakir.
Zakir.
You are the equivalent.
I don't know
of-
why Zakir has an opening act. He's just being nice.
Yeah.
He's just being nice.
He's being nice.
Yeah.
But you're the equivalent of insurance ad when you go to watch a movie.
Yeah.
If you're opening for him, you're like, हाँ चलो बुला उसको बुला अभी ऊपर.
Got it.
And the moment he goes up, you
And I'm
almost
already
feel like,
not an Hindi comic. I'm a bilingual comic, so that
Barabar.
makes it even harder for me.
And then when you hear his pop, it
Yeah.
almost makes you feel more unfunny. Like, what? A minute and a half, to the extent that Zakir pointed at one audience member, legit, and said, "Arey joke bolne to de behan." That was his like, calm down, let me say
Unfunny
something.
is not the word, because I don't know if they are clapping because, I mean, of course they are clapping because he has entertained them in the past by being funny.
I think they are excited for
to
the
see
experience.
the person live who they
Yeah.
love so much on YouTube, but that doesn't mean that the guy before him was unfunny. I don't.
No. But that's how
draw
it's
that
processed. That's how it's processed,
अच्छा
especially
कि
when you're
मतलब,
starting out. हाँ.
अच्छा when you're new, you think
Yeah.
that
Yeah.
because
Because,
इसको बड़ा चेहरा है तो मेरे से ज़्यादा funny होगा.
इसका जो experience है of seeing Zakir का applause and all
Got
happened at an open mic.
Oh,
at
but does
Cuckoo.
that make you feel a way? Like, that's interesting. So when you hear another comedian who's already well known due to YouTube, and maybe the applause is because of that.
No, it
So then,
depends.
does that
on-
make you feel like, oh, he's funnier than me? That's why they're clapping.
No. It when you're starting out and you don't have experience on how to process gigs,
Got it.
the
Green room
post-gig
ka vibe,
zone,
yeah,
green room zone. There's a lot of emotional maturity that happens with time in stand-up, in terms of how you're approaching things, how much of it. How
Is
is
about
it
you.
affecting you?
Yeah.
How much of it is about? You have to keep on renegotiating and also redefining things for yourself because you learn,
I know what you
and that is what happens when you're starting out.
Yeah.
You are already feeling ki, oh, I want to do a certain way because I don't want to be the guy who fucked up somebody else's show, right? Especially if you're opening for
Fair,
somebody
fair,
and if
fair.
you're new. And then when you hear the pop, you're like, oh, That definitely did not happen with me. So how do I get there?
fair, that's a
That's
fair
how it is.
direction, yeah. बाकी तो
It doesn't send me in a downward spiral,
yeah.
but I
You
definitely
shouldn't take
have
that
to
personally
be.
at
No,
all.
I don't take that personally, but I definitely get aware of. Oh, these are the stages that you can reach.
I have a perfect example of the exact same thing we are talking about. Can I tell you? So एक कॉलेज था, अभी कॉलेज भी बोल सकते हैं एक्चुअली, और कमेडियन का नाम भी बोल सकते हैं, बिकॉज कमेडियन ने मेरे को कुछ नहीं किया. सो आई वाज ओपनिंग फॉर कनन इन NMIMS एंड NM एक्चुअली NM कॉलेज उमंग के टाइम पे. और वो लोग ग्राउंड, एक तो द होल थिंग इज अ गिग दैट आई शुड हैव सेड नो टू.
Okay.
ठीक है, एंड बिकॉज एनीवे दे वर नॉट पेइंग, इट वाज जस्ट सम गिफ्ट हैम्पर काइंड ऑफ थिंग. बिकॉज ओपनिंग एक्ट्स को वही वो टाइम में हमको अक्ल नहीं थी कि आउटराइट रिफ्यूज. एंड इफ न्यू यंग कमेडियंस आर वाचिंग दिस, रिफ्यूज टू परफॉर्म फॉर कॉलेजेस फॉर फ्री. दे हैव स्पॉन्सर्स, दे हैव बजट्स, they have 4 to 5 lakh rupees for certain comics. So for them, for you, they can have few thousand rupees. If they don't, then it's fine, sit at home. Your practice, इतना कोई practice तो नहीं कर लेगा एक शो करके कि कोई हम लोग में से कार्लिन तो ओवरनाइट बनने नहीं वाला. ठीक है, थोड़ी इंटेग्रिटी रख सकते हैं तो एटलीस्ट थोड़ा तो पैसा देना चालू कर, बिकॉज कॉलेज को शर्म नहीं है. एंड पहले गुस्सा आता था स्टूडेंट, और ये तो बड़े बड़े कमेडियंस में भी बड़े, आई हेट दैट वर्ड, आई शुड नॉट बी यूजिंग इट एट ऑल बिकॉज आई डिस्करेज दैट एटीट्यूड. बड़ा कमेडियन कोई नहीं होता, बड़ा बिग कॉमिक इज अ टेरिबल फ्रेज टू यूज बिकॉज दैट मीन्स द अदर कॉमिक्स आर स्मॉल. No, a popular comedian and a comedian who's not that well known, but वो लंबा वर्ड है. बट पॉपुलर comedian ने भी बोला है कि अमित टंडन ने बोला कि कि कॉलेजेस मुझे फ्री में बोलते रहते हैं परफॉर्म करने के लिए. पहले गुस्सा आता था, मुझे भी बहुत आते हैं मैसेज, गुस्सा आता था पहले, बट अब रियलाइज हुआ कि ये लोग क्या है ना, ये लोग सब 19-20 साल के हैं, तो इन्होंने कभी जॉब किया नहीं है, तो इनको डिग्निटी ऑफ लेबर के बारे में अभी तक पता नहीं चला कि कोई अगर आदमी काम करता है तो उसको उसके सामने कंसिडरेशन की जरूरत होती है. उनको सिर्फ समझ में आता है अरे बिस्वा है, बिस्वा तो फ्री में नहीं करने वाला है. So that's how I get annoyed, but not as annoyed as I used to when I see those messages. But story, Kanan के I was opening at NM and बाहर लाइन लगी है बहुत स्टूडेंट्स की, और ऊपर बड़ा सा कनन का पोस्टर लगा हुआ है, और वो लोग खड़े हैं लाइन में 1-1.5 घंटे से. और फिर वो लोग ग्राउंड में जाके खड़े, बैठने की जगह नहीं है NM में, वो है ना वो ग्राउंड, तो उधर खड़े हो गए. फिर वो लोगों ने बोला यू आर द होस्ट. अब ये लोग ऑलरेडी रुके 1.5-2 घंटे से कनन के लिए. मैं ग्रीन रूम में कनन के साथ था. फिर मैं गया स्टेज पे, फिर बोलते हैं कि हम हमारा स्पॉन्सर है सो एंड सो बैंक. बैंक का नाम नहीं ले सकते, और सो एंड सो बैंक. वो अंकल को बुलाओ, अंकल आके बोल रहा है आर कोर वैल्यूज एट दिस बैंक, कॉमेडी शो के पहले, और मैं उसको हैम्पर दे रहा हूँ, सब उसको हैकिल कर रहे हैं. निकाल बुड्ढे, गेट ऑफ, कनन कनन. ये वो मेरे को बोला, पहले अंकल को बोला, अंकल ने ये सब बोला, बट बेटा लेट मी टेल कोर वैल्यूज, वो ऐसे कर रहा है. ठीक है, तो वो उसका काम ही कोर वैल्यूज बता. उसका दिन उसने ऑफ लिया अपने काम से NM जाने के लिए. उसको लगा सूट वूट पहन के आया वो,
पैम्फलेट बाहर किया
कोर वैल्यूज है कंपनी और बहुत बड़ा बैंक है. ठीक है, तो वो कर दिया. वो अंकल को दे लाइक हैकिल्ड हिम एंड दे गॉट हिम डाउन. देन आई वेंट एंड आई सेड ओके गाइस, जिसने पहले अंकल को बुला के रूम का मूड खराब किया है, बोला कि गाइस आई विल डू जोक्स फॉर 2-3 minutes एंड देन इफ दैट्स ओके विद यू एंड देन वी कॉल कनन एंड दे लाइक नो बू कनन कनन. They just started saying that and then Karan came running and then I got off stage and then I went home and I was upset. That's the dumbest reaction you can have, that I thought this is about me. Now if you think about it from the correct way to think about it, no matter what, मैंने तो जोक बताया नहीं. मैंने सिर्फ बोला I was traveling by train the other day and they just saying Kanan Kanan, they didn't let me. अगर उन्होंने मेरे जोक्स को रिजेक्ट किया होता तो जोक को सुना भी होता ना. जब जोक्स सुने बिना ही रिजेक्ट कर दिया, तो उन्होंने मुझे एज अ पर्सन नहीं रिजेक्ट किया. दे रिजेक्टेड द आइडिया ऑफ समबडी बीइंग देयर बिफोर कनन बिकॉज दे केम हियर फॉर हिम. दे वर टायर्ड ऑफ वेटिंग, व्हिच आई डोंट ब्लेम देम फॉर. द करेक्ट, इट वाज ऑर्गेनाइज्ड बैडली, इट वाज अ रॉन्ग थिंग टू से येस टू ऑन माय पार्ट, बट because it was in my early years, it was in 2014-15 and now I'm 10 years in stand up, so I understand this gig. ये gig को तो मैं अभी हाँ भी नहीं बोलूँ unless वो पैसा दे रहे. फिर I'll just let them heckle, I'll finish my, because I have committed to a certain time I have to finish. अभी मैं हाँ सिर्फ पैसे के लिए बोलूँगा, नहीं तो नहीं. बट तभी वो टाइम पे 2014 में मुझे लगा कि मैं बहुत खराब कॉमेडियन हूँ, या मैंने बहुत खराब कॉमेडी की है, मेरा कुछ लाइफ कहीं नहीं जाएगी. और मैं जॉब था, तो मैंने अपने कलीग्स को बताया जाके कि ये, और मैं मतलब मैं 1-2 साल तक समझ ही रहा था कि दिस इज माय बिगेस्ट बॉम्ब. देन कमेडियंस आस्किंग मी अवर कि व्हाट्स योर बिगेस्ट बॉम्ब, देन आई टेल दिस स्टोरी एंड देन आई स्टार्टेड टेलिंग द स्टोरी इन द ग्रीन रूम्स एंड आई नो दिस इज नॉट बॉम्ब, बिकॉज आई डिडंट डू द जोक ओनली, नो. तो ये वही बात है कि मुझे 4 या 5 ईयर मार्क पे लगा कि मैंने कुछ खराब किया, और आज मुझे क्लियरली दिखता है कि मेरी गलती नहीं है.
If anything, a bank took up your time. And you got bumped by an uncle saying core values.
Even if he had not come, they would have put me off. The only right thing I would have done better today in that situation is, now looking at 200-300 people, you don't get intimidated. It's you're much calmer. So I would have just said, देखो अगर आप लोगों को चिल्लाते ही रहना, आप लोग चिल्लाते रहो. मैंने तो 10 मिनट कमिट किया है, तो आप जितना चिल्लाओगे मैं 10 मिनट बात करके ही जाऊंगा. मैं वो 10 मिनट पूरे के, बिकॉज 10 मिनट तो आप रुक ही सकते हो, इतना टाइम रुकी हो. maybe they would listen to that, but I feel college students are so rowdy, undergrad students, that they would not like graduation wale, no, postgrad wale maybe थोड़े better है.
First of all, that is your like that's you haven't read the room well, you know, the organizers, because you're trying to sell banking to teenagers. You know, they have no concept of money, bro. लगा अभी पॉकेट मनी लेके डेट पे जा रहा है वो लोग, कैफे कॉफी डे पे 1 पे 1 क्या मिल रहा है, ये जिंदगी है वो लोग का. तू उसको तेरा क्रेडिट कार्ड का कोर वैल्यू पता है क्या करेगा, उसको तो लेना देना ही नहीं है तेरा इससे.
And these kids have heard their parents complain कि बैंक ने गांड मारा मेरा.
और सबसे ज्यादा वही बैंक के बारे में कंप्लेंट करते हैं. तो तू समझ रहा होगा
कि मेरा माँ बाप का झगड़ा तेरे वजह से होता है, बड़े तेरा कोर वैल्यूज की वजह से मेरा घर का कोर वैल्यूज बिगड़ गया.
वो माँ बाप वाला बैंक है, वो वाला बैंक है जो जिसमें सबका पीपीएफ होता है, और पीपीएफ के तेरे हाथ में जो नाम है उसकी स्पेलिंग, और तेरा पीपीएफ गुम ही हो गया वो लोग के डेटाबेस में, बिकॉज़ उन लोगों का स्पेलिंग ही गलत था. फिर तेरे को एक मिटा हुआ नंबर लाइक 4130 डाल के देखो, अरे ये मैं ही हूँ. पैसा बच गया. You know which bank I'm talking about now. By now everybody knows. But
probably have an account in it.
Yeah.
I think we all do.
We're born with an account in that bank. But it was quite. I felt bad for the uncle also.
Yeah.
Like I felt bad for him.
Because that part of his life,
but बच्चों को respect नहीं है, मतलब 19-20 साल के बच्चों को.
If that man has a teenage son, that teenage son got beaten up that day. वो ऐसे ही घर पे बैठा और ये आके 13 उम्र का बच्चा लोग और just मारा dude.
अभी बोल जाके बोल behave करने को. जा बोल core values का college में.
What a horrible day of the job, na? Imagine you're 50-year-old or something. In fact, I'll share this anecdote, like one of the weirdest moments where I've seen this happen to a person. Like how this fellow, he was
Wellinger
also...
में नहीं होता था. I'm just thinking out loud. I was in Wellinger also. Wellinger में I just feel postgrad students ने 1-2 साल बहुत लोगों ने काम किया हुआ है, तो वापस they are a little bit more mature. But I cannot imagine in Wellinger कि you're waiting to see a live performance of someone and somebody come before that and you scream and heckle. It would never happen.
That's an MBA thing.
No.
It's a college culture thing also.
It's a college culture thing, and also with post graduation, you're that close to diving into the marketplace. Your fear has set in. Your desire to be when you're an undergrad, you're idealistic to the extreme.
Also, you will not get punished as an undergrad because there are thousands of you. Postgrad, there are 120 seats in the private course, and you will be called out, and you don't want to fail the course. CGPA get affected or whatever maybe.
इधर में जर्नल कंप्लीट नहीं करना है, मगर बोल रहा है कि अरे डेमोक्रेसी बदलो, ऐसा हो जाएगा. That is
maybe. I mean, I don't know. ये तो थोड़ा सोचना पड़ेगा.
There are many reasons. Many reasons why all of these things.
Plus, like that's the first person we get to rebel against.
Yeah.
Like that's another thing because मेरे को याद है अपने यहाँ पे भी ये I think अपना farewell था कि क्या था मेरे को याद नहीं undergrad का. They had kept a comedy show. They got 2 comedians. पहला comedian आया, they were just screaming, not listening anything, just for the fuck of it. But second comedian came, they let the comedian finish the set. No explanation as to why they're screaming at the first one and not screaming at the second one.
If we were there, we could have figured out why that was happening.
Yeah.
But none of them were like extremely popular or anything.
They were at that time. They were quite.
Both of them were.
Both of them were.
Also, the second guy must have been way more popular. They might have been there to watch him, maybe. I don't know.
No, there was equal. Comedy was just starting at that. It was 2014, like so like as a thing.
Ingrained है. मुझे इतना गुस्सा आता है ये big comic term से, और मेरे मुंह से निकला the fact that on a podcast because तुम नहीं, because you filter your own mentality, you think about how to speak, what words to use, because they matter. They reflect your self-esteem and your self-image, which is very important. Because it should get better with time, not worse. Right? But
if it is getting worse,
such terms like big comic and all are bullshit. Senior comics, these are all bullshit terms. But I feel कि because आजू बाजू comedians इतनी बार ये words बोलते रहते हैं ना, ये तुम्हारे दिमाग में बैठ जाता है. But I hate all this shit.
No, that's the culture thing. No,
अपना conditioning.
But you know what they mean to say, like by big comics, they mean to say, अरे वो बहुत बड़ा आदमी है.
Exactly.
उसको पता है कितने लोग देखते हैं.
वो सेट है. हाँ.
कुछ लोगों को कम लोग देखते हैं. बट कॉमेडी, अगर तेरे को उसकी कॉमेडी अच्छी लगी तो तू उसकी इज्जत करना. बिग कॉमिक, स्मॉल कॉमिक, मीडियम कॉमिक, ट्रिपल XL कॉमिक, मिनी कॉमिक, ये सब क्या डिस्टिंक्शन बना के रखी है डूड. ये क्या कबाड़ खाना थोड़ी ना है ये सोफा खरीद रहे हैं क्या. बिग कॉमिक, यू नो देयर इज दिस कॉमिक जो सोफा कम बेड हो जाता है रात को, उस पर सो भी सकते हैं. व्हाट द फक आर यू टॉकिंग अबाउट.
No, but that's conditioning है ना वैसा.
हाँ,
it's a very
this is a comic you need to latch on to.
It's taking the corporate mentality to a artistic field.
It's not even corporate. It goes beyond that also. I feel it's a childhood percentage mentality. Whenever I look at it's a very number mentality. कि यार इसको 90% इसको वैसा. And that is what makes me laugh at the
प्रीफेक्ट बोलते हैं ऐसा पढ़े लिखे लोग. हम लोग कैप्टन बोलते थे.
हाँ, कैप्टन रहता था अपना हाउस का कैप्टन, हेड बॉय वगैरह ऐसा. हेड बॉय.
प्रीफेक्ट ब्रो, तेरे लिए प्रीफेक्ट होगा ना. तू तो क्या इम्पल्सिव, क्या बोला तू?
अरे इतना फर्क थोड़ी रे, अभी दोनों में तो हर एक चीज में ऐसा लेके आएगा नेक्स्ट
2
टाइम।
साल बाद हो गया।
हाँ
क्या बोला? बट आई वांट टू
अरे
रिमेंबर।
मैं कैम्ब्रिज में पढ़ाई किया, अभी तू उसका ये करेगा।
अच्छा तरीका
मास्टर्स में किया है उधर, अभी
हाँ, क्या कर
दिखाया
सकता
मैं
है?
थोड़ा, अभी क्या करूँ? है मेरा डिक्शनरी में 3 पन्ना और है ब्रो, मैं बाइंडिंग करा के रखा है डिक्शनरी का एक्स्ट्रा, फटना नहीं चाहिए कुछ।
you can actually say stuff like अगर मेरे सामने विल स्मिथ होता तो, because at least chance तो था विल स्मिथ होने का।
नहीं तभी तो मैं बोलता
कैम्ब्रिज
झवाड़िया।
यूके में है ना?
हाँ
अरे
हाँ,
झवाड़िया।
विल स्मिथ रहता कैम्ब्रिज में भी तो भी आई थिंक झवाड़िया ही निकलता था मुंह से।
That you can't change. You can't take a Zawadi out of a person.
You shouldn't also actually.
Yeah.
Zawadi is a very effective word. You know there are certain words in certain languages. There is no replacement word in another language.
Correct. Yeah.
झवाड़िया का कोई replacement word नहीं है. That's that effective. I mean this is an old joke trope कि हिंदी गाली is intense मराठी. But मैं गाली की नहीं बात कर रहा, मैं words की बात कर रहा हूँ. झवाड़िया का कोई replacement नहीं है.
Yeah. You can't.
There are some lines in Marathi that you can't have a comeback with. Like there's one like Ubha Mutin Tujavar.
You have to translate it for the audience also.
Yeah, Ubha Mutin Tujavar is just, I'll just stand here and piss on you. This is that Ubha. Standing, I'll piss on you. Okay, like that's the Ubha Mutin
And
Tujavar.
the implication is also that you will be lower than
Yeah.
that.
But I feel if you're making that threat and not doing it, then you're not going to do it.
Yeah, but that's the point of a
That's
threat.
based on bladder.
That's the point of a threat.
Percentage.
You know, and how much coffee you've had.
Yeah, fair. Imagine if somebody says that and then they're like, तेरे को विश्वास नहीं मेरे ऊपर, बिस्लरी लाओ. Start drinking. Like, आता बघा कसा मी तुझ्यावर
This
मुतना.
line was invented post telephone. I'm
Yeah.
pretty sure.
Yeah, post telephone.
Post telephone. When a guy comes to your house, then with a pistol water. Or as per olden times, is like कुएं से पानी निकल रहा है.
Yeah, I feel it going to the entire extent where the other guy's like, अरे तुम लेट हो तो सही, and then he's like, थांबा and then you're drinking water. अरे 1 लीटर पे अभी तक नहीं निकल रहा है, क्या है ये? Then you have another
One
one.
guy is going.
अरे बिस्लरी आजकल गंदा पानी बनाती है रे, एक्वाफिना लाओ. निकल ही नहीं रहा है, and they're like, अरे भाऊ जाओ दिया ना. He's like, काय को आपको मुतने का?
That's when there's a diagnosis. Oh, sir को kidney stone हो गया. Holding his pee to pee on people for so long.
Yeah, that's interesting. That's a great phrase.
Yeah.
कि that I'll pee on you.
Yeah. No, what a way to
you
show
can't.
dominance.
Yeah, if you said that in any other language, it would not be.
Also,
that
it
much
works
fun.
on a primal level. Like, I'll own you.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
know, like, I'm going to
I think the
claim you.
Atta does it. Ki right now, like say में Will Smith when put my wife's name out of your fucking mouth. तो fucking mouth बोला ना, तो Atta is playing that role in that sentence. Atta मुतनार, Atta.
Time.
I won't even waste a second.
सोमवारला नहीं Atta.
I'm bursting to pee on you.
Not at a later time.
Yeah.
Right now, bitch. it's ingrained in that, right?
I think we found an English
There are
version of
sentences, there are sentences जिसमें बिना गाली दिए गाली इनबिल्ट होती है. Now in this like वो sentiment है कि bitch,
Yeah.
move bitch, get out the way kind of sentiment without giving a गाली.
Without giving a
तूने गाली दे दी because वो sentence इतना impactful
Yeah.
है.
And you always hear that.
Yeah, like people who say ना कि बिना गाली दिए भी बात की जा सकती है. तो no one's you've not been abused enough that you don't know that without bad words.
Yeah, but
also
who
you can
people
be
who say
such-
बिना गाली दिए भी बात कर सकते हो like हाँ पर मजा नहीं आता. I think that's a good response to that statement, right?
There is
It's
so
boring.
much. We needed words which will be able to take burden of emotion. You know, and that is what.
And avoid physical violence.
Yeah.
अगर तू गाली में ना गुस्सा निकाल दे तो फिर किसी से मारपीट नहीं करेगा ना. तूने अगर किसी को झवाड़िया बोल दिया तो जनरेशनल ट्रॉमा हील हो सकता है.
Exactly.
लाइक काफी पुष्टियों का गुस्सा तू निकाल सकता है एक वर्ड से, तो देन यू कैन फॉरगिव एंड मूव ऑन.
It plays. I feel bad words play such an important role just in
keeping society together.
de-escalating things. People think it escalates. Maybe, but most of the times
तू माँ
I've
बाप पे मत
seen-
जा, बीवी पे मत जा, जैसे विल स्मिथ के हाथ
हाँ.
बीवी पे नहीं हो जा.
हाँ.
भले वो किसी के साथ भी कुछ
Yeah.
भी करे, हम लोग नहीं बोल सकते.
But technically तेरी बीवी है इसलिए.
क्योंकि देख ना झगड़ा रोड रेज देखा है, लोकल ट्रेन में देखा है, मोस्ट ऑफ इट इज पॉस्चरिंग एंड गाली देने का.
Yeah.
और उधर डाइल्यूट हो जाता है
But
स्टेशन
that's
आने
Bombay.
तक. हाँ, दैट इज बॉम्बे.
और लेट्स से मुंबई, आई से बोथ, आई हैव
हाँ,
नथिंग अगेंस्ट
हाँ, मुंबई.
बट ऑनलाइन लोग वो बोलते
Yeah.
हैं, मैं दोनों बोलता हूँ, मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता. बट मुझे लगता है कि यहाँ पे कल्चरली
But yeah, Mumbai.
people keep moving. People keep moving. In Mumbai, they keep moving.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
But I've heard in Gurgaon, Delhi, these things escalate very quickly to physical fight. So it's a cultural thing also.
Yeah, it is a
In
cultural
Mumbai,
thing.
people don't have the time to fight with you.
हाँ रे, ये सब नहीं करने का.
Yeah, they can't risk fighting, no?
Yeah, because they'll reach late to work or whatever it is, or miss out on some time with their family, and they know that this is just we are just so overpopulated that these things happen. You know, whatever
Yeah.
it is. So, that shared trauma of
In fact, the city of Mumbai, it just keeps any city, but Mumbai especially, it's so busy compared to a lot of it. Just likes to move so much that I think as a city we do that with a lot of different instances. Let it be waterlogging, let it be death.
गाड़ी का एक्सीडेंट हो गया, लोग घुमा के जाते हैं उसके बाद से. Like वो तो होता ही रहता है, अभी क्या करें.
Let it be any big thing, you know, even like a riot or whatever. Like you had this bit, na, Spirit of Mumbai. Like you used to do that bit where flooding
bit?
or
I don't know what you're talking about.
matlab, of course this bit I dreamt of. You were not even there. It was a fictional bit that I created in my head, and I have edited it also. It does not exist anymore. In fact, what are we even talking about? Let's move on to how the city is amazing.
It's still functioning.
No, but
Just needs a little bit of Fevicol here and there.
no, that's the desire for it to just keep on moving. Mumbai doesn't like to have hang-ups. You know, कि हाँ हुआ खत्म चल अभी निकल चल.
And my personality actually doesn't suit it. That's why मेरे को रोड रेज इतना है. मैंने काफी दूसरी एरियाज ऑफ रेज मेरी लाइफ में डील कर दिया. रोड रेज से नहीं किया फुल्ली बिकॉज मेरी पर्सनालिटी थोड़ी ऑर्डरलीनेस में हाई. मैं जॉर्डन पीटरसन से साउंड कर रहा हूँ, बट बिकॉज आई हैव OCD थोड़ा मतलब माइल्ड स्पेक्ट्रम पे हूँ मैं. OCD है मुझे.
तो ट्रैफिक में तो तेरा पागल ही
ट्रैफिक में
होता
क्या होता है
रहेगा
कि मेरे में लेन डिसिप्लिन बहुत ज्यादा है कि मैं अगर ये लेन से जाना तो मैं ये लेन से जाऊंगा. अगर मैं यहाँ जाऊँ तो किसी और को तकलीफ, को डिपेंडेंसी भी है कि किसी को तकलीफ नहीं पहुंचानी वोट. तो कोई और मतलब किसी को तकलीफ होगी पर वो सामने से आएगा तो सबका ट्रैफिक जाम हो जाएगा. इससे अच्छा मैं ये लेन में ही रहता हूँ. बट ये लेन वाला तो पार्क करके चला गया है. तो मेरे भाई मुझे बोलते रहता है कि बी लाइक वाटर. ये ब्रूस ली का एडवाइस लो. मुंबई ट्रैफिक हैव टू बी लाइक वाटर. व्हाटएवर वे यू गेट वो रस्सी पीटर होता है ना, टेक इट एंड गो. कितने रेफरेंसेस आ गए चीज.
नहीं तो फिर
But that's not
मेडिकेशन.
part of my personality. My part of my personality is stick to the order and the rule. Because rules are there for a reason. Signal लाल होता है reason के
पागल
लिए.
होएगा तू.
मैं हो गया हूँ पागल.
नहीं जमेगा. अरे नहीं होता है इधर. नहीं होता है.
मेरे को इतना गुस्सा आता है. और मैं
What are
कभी
your
कभी
pet
नो
peeves?
एंट्रीज
What are your pet peeves?
मेरे घर के आजू बाजू नो एंट्रीज है जहाँ अगर मैं डेली जाऊँ ना तो मेरा रोज का 3-4 मिनट बचेगा. जो मैं 6-7 साल से गाड़ी चला रहा हूँ, मैं आज तक नहीं गया हूँ. और रोज मुझे लोग दिखते हैं. हम लाइक इसका कोई कॉन्सिक्वेंस ही नहीं फेस करना पड़ रहा है आदमी को. ये मेरी तरफ आ रहा है तो मैं अपनी गाड़ी से उसको थोड़ा ब्लॉक कर देता हूँ कि उसका टाइम वेस्ट हो. पर मेरा भी टाइम वेस्ट होता है. तो मेरी लाइफ बहुत मुश्किल है. बहुत ग्रीफ है मेरी.
गाड़ी
बहुत
नहीं
पैसिव
चलाने.
अग्रेसिवली जस्टिस लेके आ रहे हैं.
मेरे को बोला भी एक कॉमिक ने कि तू क्या बैटमैन बनता है, किसी दिन मार खाएगा. मैं बैटमैन नहीं बन रहा हूँ. मैं किसी को ब्लॉक नहीं कर रहा हूँ. मैं जो लेन में हूँ वो लेन में मुझे वैसे भी जाना बनता है. तो तू बोलने की कोशिश कर रहा है कि कोई नो एंट्री में आ रहा है और मैं उसके लिए हट जाऊँ साइड में. तो लेगा क्या फर्क पड़ता है, तेरे को क्या कर रहा है. हम लाइक नो सॉरी, ये लेन मेरी है, मैं राजा हूँ ये लेन का फिलहाल. मतलब जो सही जो रूल नहीं ब्रेक कर रहा है तो उसका तो हक बनता है ना वो पूरी लेन के बीच में चले. तू साइड में जा, तू नो एंट्री में आया है.
Your expectations are very
और
high.
तू अगर नहीं जाएगा साइड में तो मैं झगड़ा नहीं करूँगा किसी का. मतलब करना है तो करो, बट मेरे को मैं थोड़ा डरता हूँ. अगर मैं विल स्मिथ के पास होता तो नहीं. पर फिर मैं हैंड ब्रेक ऊपर करके न्यूट्रल में डाल के बाहर देखता हूँ. मेरे से बात मत करो. जब भी तुमको मेरे से साइड पे आने का मूड होगा तो आप चले जाना. तो चले जाते हैं. तो मेरे को लगता है ठीक है चलो, मेरे को कोई जस्टिस तो मतलब मेरा टाइम बहुत वेस्ट होता है.
Every time behind the steering, it's an experience, dude, for you.
Yeah, I get very angry on the road because of the disorderly like डबल. मतलब बहुत लोगों की तरफ वो है प्रॉब्लम्स. मतलब वो बाइकर वाला भी है बट वो गाड़ियाँ भी डबल पार्किंग का भी बहुत सीन है. मतलब डबल पार्किंग वाले जो BM वाले रुकते हैं बांद्रा में. सी तो मेरी जो मिडिल क्लास गाड़ी है i10, तो मेरे को लगता है कि या तो महंगी गाड़ी वाले प्रॉब्लम है या तो बाइक पे सब प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट करते हैं. मैं ठीक हूँ बट नहीं, जो डबल पार्किंग करते हैं BMW वाले, ये लोग का क्या है कि ओ माय गॉड वो मेरा बाबा है ना, उसको सॉक्स लेने का था. तो द शॉप ऑफ द सॉक्स इज हियर एंड बाबा इज हियर. नाउ यू वांट मी टू मेक बाबा वॉक. In the heat, how my Baba will walk. So we'll block 27 cars ना. You can go around. मैं बाबा वहीं पे खड़ा है गाड़ी के बाजू में. बाबा you want orange socks or blue? बाबा that polka is in fashion ना. और उसके पीछे तबाही मच गई है. पूरा ट्रैफिक जाम है. लोग हॉर्न बजा रहे हैं. मतलब पता नहीं कोई एम्बुलेंस है उसको पड़ी नहीं. But बाबा socks. वो कर रही है उधर बैठ. थोड़ा ही चलना था, थोड़ा आगे पार्क करके चलना था. नहीं बाबा, इनका बाबा है, इनका बाबा की वैल्यू ज्यादा है, हमारी वैल्यू नहीं है. क्या करें.
And their solution to double parking a BMW there is starting the indicators. दोनों hazard light. Hazard light चालू करके.
हाँ तो ठीक हो गया.
I'm here.
और कभी ड्राइवर्स बैठते, बहुत बार ड्राइवर्स होते हैं लग्जरी कार्स में, तो वो लोग अपने फोन पे गेम खेलते हैं क्योंकि उनको किसी से बहस नहीं करनी है. बट हम लाइक ये अच्छा तरीका है कि तुम लॉ ब्रेक करो और किसी की तरफ देखो ही नहीं. वो थोड़ी ना उतर के तुमसे बात करेगा
और उसको कुछ भरना भी नहीं है.
थोड़ी तो शर्म रखो यार.
अरे उसको भी डाइवर्जन चाहिए ना, क्योंकि उसका पापा का तो मोजा ही नहीं पहनता है. हमेशा ये पापा के लिए लेके जा रहा है और मैं कोई और का पापा के लिए ट्रैफिक बंद करके बैठा है. मैं भी घूम जाता है
He's
पापा.
just happy he has that modicum of power in
वो
his
भी अपने बाबा के लिए कर रहे हैं. सब अपने बाबा के लिए कर रहे हैं कुछ ना कुछ.
मैडम मेरे पापा के लिए भी देख लो ना.
पोलका डॉट चलेगा मैडम, पता नहीं वो क्या होता है पर अच्छा ही लग रहा है मेरे लिए भी
स्कूल में अलाउड है क्या? स्कूल में अलाउड है क्या वो बताओ?
मुझे पे बिंदी अलाउड नहीं है मैडम.
मैडम 3 प्लेन व्हाइट लेके आओ पहले, आप फिर देखते हैं.
नायलॉन वाला मैडम, नायलॉन वाला. हमारे स्कूल में एसी नहीं है, नायलॉन वाला.
लेके आओ, नहीं तो मैं गाड़ी निकाल रहा हूँ.
follow the law.
What if she calls, she comes back and she sees the car is missing, and he's like, हाँ मैडम हूँ ना मैं, 1 किलोमीटर दायरे में हूँ, आप लिया क्या मोजा?
Yeah, that's his blackmail.
Every day this happens. Every day in Bandra, though, every day these cars blocking the road and bikers coming in the wrong lane without helmets and all.
और छोटा छोटा गली भी है बैंड्रा का, कभी कभी टर्निंग वगैरह में रुका दिया वो लोग तो खत्म फिर.
अरे पार्क गाड़ियों का मेन पार्किंग, डबल पार्किंग प्रॉब्लम है. और बाइक्स का तो देयर आर प्लेथोरा ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स विद बाइक्स. You cannot even know where to begin with the bike and the way they are in Bandra.
नहीं?
You can't use Cart Road properly. Let's be blunt. Cart Road is a gift and a privilege that we all have. We were born here. We live by the sea. It's God's gift. We can't enjoy it properly because of the bikers. It's not right. Like how rash they are. They're in the wrong lane all the time. I know I sound like some fundamentalist
I'm just imagining.
right winger, but this is not a. This is a civic issues thing. It's not a right wing, left wing thing.
But I definitely see that moment where you are really taxing your mind with because I know the scale of stupidity. I see it every day, you know, and there will be a moment where I don't want to see a reel of you on some signal being like बस करो ये अभी.
काटर रोड सिग्नल भी नहीं है. काटर रोड के बाजू में कॉलेज है. कॉलेज की पब्लिक लड़कियों को इम्प्रेस करने के लिए गलत लेन पे रैश बाइक चलाती है. फैक्ट है. इट्स अ फैक्ट. यू कैन वेरीफाई इट. प्रॉब्लम ये है कि वहाँ पे पेट्रोलिंग होती है एक कोने पे. व्हाट रियली इरिटेट्स मी इज कि पेट्रोलिंग एक कोने पे होती है तो वहाँ पे बाइकर अचानक हेलमेट पहनता है और वो फिर जैसे वो यूटर्न लेके थोड़ा आगे जाता है वो हेलमेट उतार के वापस गलत लेन में जाना. मतलब गलत लेन में जाने का इतना ईगरनेस है. ये लोग एक दूसरे को फोन करते हैं और कोऑर्डिनेट करते हैं. अरे आज पुलिस है क्या? हाँ तो तुम लोग वो गली के पहले तो लॉ तोड़, उसके बाद सही गली में घुस जाना. अरे पर तेरे को करना ही क्यों है?
व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे शेयर कर रहा है वो लोग कि हाँ मैं देखा.
कोऑर्डिनेट. आई हैव सीन दैट. Just before they know a cop is there, they take a U-turn and they go.
What's the weird desire? Like as teenage boys, we really don't know, right, how to impress women.
Yeah.
We really don't know, like what can impress girls. We moth. मैं मौत से नहीं डरता.
GPS पे मौत डाला है मैंने लोकेशन अपना.
मैं नहीं डरता. I am here today, gone tomorrow, baby. ऐसा क्या वाइब देता है अपन?
ये सिर्फ पिक्चरों में होता है. There is no girl who has looked at a guy. I don't know if there is a girl who has looked at a guy and be like, अरे यार क्या नो एंट्री में इसने भगाई अपनी गाड़ी, मजा ही आ गया. What a daredevil. Nobody
You have seen that वो रेसिंग बाइक टाइप रहता है ना 150cc का बाइक वगैरह, उस पे पीछे like college boys they'll make the girl sit and then throughout you will just see the girl is scared for her life like खत्म मेरा माँ बाप क्या क्या सोचेगा मेरे बारे में.
And I'm going to die and they'll know I was on the pillion of a bike with a guy.
और मैं हेलमेट भी नहीं पहना है क्योंकि ये तो एक ही लिया है. ऊपर से मैं तो डेट के लिए बाहर आई है तो मैं गिरेगी तो भी आई एम डन. Like you know.
I think this is a by proxy guys are trying to impress women because certain guys get impressed by certain guys who do this. So in that group you become the alpha कि पता है मेरा दोस्त चंदू क्या भगाता है, वो कूल है. और अगर सब लड़के एक लड़के को कूल बोलने लगेंगे तो वो लड़के फिर वो लड़के को लगता है कि अभी लड़कियां मुझे
and then
मुझे वर्ड नहीं बोलना है.
we stop the bike and then
let's be polite about it, you know.
I liked how you took the pause enough to remove 3 words, not even one. You removed. You said no to option A, B, and C, and you
बहुत
removed
words
D.
को reject किया.
That was such a 90s.
Yeah.
You know ये
Good
family
night.
ये family movie
सोने
है.
की भी कौन बोलता है ना आजकल, कोई बोलता नहीं है. पता है लड़कियों के साथ सोता है. हाँ वो लोग मतलब वो वहाँ सोती है, वो वहाँ सोता है. ठीक है, शेयर्ड अकोमोडेशन था. प्रॉब्लम क्या है? सोता है इसके साथ. एक और वर्ड यूज करते थे 90s मूवीज में अबाउट टू शेम women. I don't support the word. It's just a funny word. Both versions. Hindi version also bad. Rakhel is a terrible word to use. But the English version of that, I don't know why they thought it's better to call a woman. पता है ये इसकी keep है. Have you seen movies? पता है उसकी keep है. Keep.
Really?
Yeah, ये Google का ऐप थोड़ी ना है. भोसड़ी के keep है मतलब क्या होता है?
मतलब ये like the phrasing is like that, like आधा हिंदी आधा just they'll
Yes,
replace.
हिंदी में यूज करते हैं पर because I think the रख वाला word is really aggressive and the connotation is already very negative.
The sound.
Yeah, and it's because these are all tactics of shaming women. It's probably a consensual relationship. Let's give that disclaimer. It's probably we respect that. I mean, probably a consensual relationship and people just having a good time together. But obviously, वो औरत के चरित्र पे लांछन डालना is part of our culture. तो वो रख वाला word is very aggressive. So they just made कि हम लोग हिंदी में यूज करेंगे, but हिंदी पिक्चरों में था ये बहुत.
Yeah.
तुम उसकी कीप हो. हो कि नहीं उसकी कीप.
Yeah. And this is a
Keep
lady.
क्या होता है यार?
This is a lady with a chiffon sari scene
Yeah,
with a
yeah.
lot of makeup,
Yeah.
telling the heroine.
तुम उसकी कीप हो, तुम्हें रखता है.
If you go ahead and say इसके साथ सोता है, still like it is the most non-passive. Like even if they have sex, they have had sex for like maybe like little time. Then they slept,
Yeah.
which is still less
No, but
back
the
and forth.
mentality जो लोगों के पल्ले नहीं होती कि ये लोग एक दूसरे के साथ
Yeah.
सो रहे हैं. They're 50% parties consensually getting both getting something out of it. They just feel either one person has to do something to the other. Like somebody won and somebody lost.
Transactionally.
And it's usually because they want to control women's sexuality. So it's always that the woman lost. So let's shame her. That's the logic. But I think keep is a fucking keep is hilarious as a word. तू बनेगा क्या किसी की keep? किसी का keep? अगर तू किसी का keep बनेगा क्या कभी?
No, dude, नहीं होएगा.
Dude,
I
मैं
don't think
पैसे
it
के
will be
लिए
seen that also.
अभी स्टैंड अप करियर इतना मतलब अपने करियर को देख के आई फील कि मैं कीप करने को रेडी हूँ at this point.
in just one follow-up, immediate.
Yeah.
From it, the worst word to immediate follow-up is
मैं भी कर दूंगा.
हाँ.
He turned that thing that was used to shame women into like now this. I think this is a
Yeah,
great
I'm a man.
designation.
Yeah. As a man,
My
I don't
pronoun is
Yeah,
keep.
Yeah.
My pronouns are
Keep him.
keep, kept. I'm a kept man.
That's my past tense.
Yeah.
Made man and kept man.
Yeah.
मैं कीप बनूंगा अगर स्टैंड अप अभी ऐसे ही चलता रहा कुछ साल तो अभी एक साल और फिर मैं कीप बनने को रेडी हूँ. Guys, you want to keep me? Please follow me on Instagram, Bhavish_Elani. There is again the plug.
Yeah.
And I'm willing to be kept by anybody who is willing to pay the right amount.
Yeah. They, of
On a
course,
monthly
discussions.
basis.
Terms and conditions will need to be discussed.
Yes,
You will
yes.
have a lawyer, of course,
yes,
you know.
yes.
So don't try to corner him
Yeah.
suddenly, like, and be like,
Yeah.
I have a contract ready.
ऐसा जेब में हाथ डाल के नहीं चलेगा.
हाँ.
I'm a
वो
very
वाला
high
नहीं
end keep.
Yeah.
And it's not easy to keep me. No man can tell me. And also, every now and then, shopping sprees at Palladium, some Prada, Gucci stuff. That's part of the deal, yeah?
Yeah, that comes with the.
Okay, husband.
He's going to be a keep with benefits.
Yeah. Yeah, that's the new framing that we're doing.
उस
huh?
दिन एक मैंने वॉलेट देखा ऑनलाइन इंटरनेट पे
हाँ.
और तेरे को लगता है कि एज अ मर्द है मैं मर्द समझ रहा एज अ मैन
Yeah.
डू यू थिंक तेरे वॉलेट के अंदर जिप हो सकता है और तुझे शर्म नहीं आएगी?
मेरे वॉलेट पे जिप है for the coins.
कॉइन्स नहीं पूरा वॉलेट ही अगर एक
नहीं,
जिप है तो
वो
तू
weird
खरीदेगा
है
वो
थोड़ा.
नहीं.
नहीं,
I've
वो
outgrown
थोड़ी
zip.
तो फीलिंग आएगी कि मेरा
पर्स
बहुत
है.
मजाक उड़ाया जाएगा.
कि ये पर्स है. Like वो ऐसा
देख,
लगेगा.
मैं उम्र के साथ बड़ा हुआ ना.
सच अ पॉलिटिकली इनकरेक्ट थिंग टू से.
नहीं देख मैं
This is
बता
like that
दूं.
Bill Burr with what are you a fag?
No, I'll support it with more evidence. Okay, when you're a college guy and you haven't earned anything, तेरे को सिर्फ पॉकेट मनी मिल रहा है, तेरे को जिप चाहिए because you need a step of reminder कि देख खुल रहा है क्या, इतना ही है. Once you're an adult, you're earning, focus, spend your money, dude. What are you taking a zip and what not?
मैं सोच रहा था नॉट इन एनी वे टू एनी ऑफेंस टू एनीवन बट जब मैं ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग करता हूँ बोला कि अगर मैं जिप वाला पर्स लेगा जिप वाला पर्स ऐसी चीज़ है ना जो सिर्फ एक हस्बैंड खरीद के दे सकता है किसी को.
Okay.
इट्स अ वेरी हस्बैंड थिंग. लाइक अगर आप जिप वाली पर्स पब्लिक निकालो समझ लाइक ये कहाँ से लिया लाइक मेरे हस्बैंड ने मेरे को लेके दिया. इट मेक्स सेंस. बट अगर आप बोलो कि पता मैंने जिप वाली पर्स लिया हम लाइक चल बे लौड़े. तू समझ रहा है?
I cannot follow this train of thought.
No.
I got a glimpse of what he's saying. I got a glimpse of what he's saying.
Maybe
लाइक
it's age
कितना
again.
रूथलेसली लोग आपका मजाक उड़ाएंगे अगर
हाँ,
आप
okay, yeah.
इन अ वेरी हेट्रोनॉर्मेटिव मेल सराउंडिंग यू गो एंड यू
उससे तेरे
रिमूव.
पैसे भी नहीं संभाले जाते चूतिए.
या एग्जैक्टली. अरे जो आदमी 50 रुपए को भी छुपा रहा है अपने पल्लू के पीछे.
ब्रो मेरे हाथ में होता मैं पैंट पर भी जिप नहीं लगाता समझा
एग्जैक्टली. ये तो क्या वो लोग बोलते तो मैं करता है बाकी भाई का तो तुमको मालूम ही है. या यू आर राइट. एग्जैक्टली दैट weird male bravado would come out, you know, for nothing. It comes out over nothing. Male bravado comes out over the stupidest thing.
Yeah, like carrying an umbrella.
वो तो बिल बर का बिट है ना उसी.
It's like a volcano.
Yeah.
Oh, अच्छा.
You know, from certain time to time event
कोई
होता है
भी
ना.
चीज़
You don't know why. कभी भी erupt होता है, कभी
गुस्सा आ
भी किधर
जाता
भी
है.
निकलता है. It doesn't
अभी
make
ये
any
क्या
sense.
कोस्टर रखा है इधर
हाँ.
तो तेरे चाय का इधर दाग होएगा. अरे लौड़े चाय का दाग हुआ तो क्या वापस पेंट करा लेना ना. कोस्टर क्या होता है?
हाँ क्या बाइले
Exactly.
सीधा कोस्टर
Goes to that, you know.
कोस्टर से सीधा
Yeah.
सी से सीधा
Yeah.
बी पे आ गया. अरे आ गया बाकी अल्फाबेट है ना ब्रो. ये क्या कर रहा तू?
And then he goes out and tells, तुम्हें पता है उसके घर पे वो चाय का निशान लगने से डरता है.
हाँ ये तू उसके घर पे जा रहा है, तू ध्यान रखा चाय किधर रख रहा है वगैरह, बहुत बवाल मचाएगा. अरे बवाल थोड़ी ब्रो, थोड़ा सिविलाइजेशन तू भी बता रहा है, मैं भी बता रहा है, मेरे को साफ करने को कम होएगा, तू तो जाएगा बाद में.
The two of them come to her and like देखा मैं क्या करते, देख मैं क्या करते.
And then they'll be like, hey Bhavesh, देख मैं क्या किया, sorry हाँ, sorry, and you're just looking.
It's a show of dominance.
हाँ, and you're like हाँ हो गया.
I can't pee on your rug, so I'll make rings.
Yeah. It is that. It is peeing on your rug a bit. And that is a big way of sometimes like male friends do that a lot. Yeah. Men do that a lot.
Yeah.
Women that way are considerate in the moment at least.
Yeah, मतलब किसी के जाने के बाद bitching कर लेंगे,
हाँ,
but they will
they'll
not
be like,
like.
okay, I won't like.
हाँ,
yeah.
but male bonding a lot happens over like borderline violence.
And saying the other guys are not men. Like that's
Yeah, the other people who don't participate in that are like lesser men. This the insecurity बहुत है in general our gender has.
क्या
They're
करेगा
like,
यार?
अरे उसको टपली मारा तो भड़क गया भाई. टपली तो मारना रहता है, and टपली is actually quite hurtful and aggressive. Like a टपली is not a joke. I feel टपली's were as at par with a slap. Because a tapli is not expected most of the time because the person is behind you and it hits you on your head, so you
That's
are
an unmanly thing. Why are you
disillusioned
hitting from
little bit.
behind?
Have you seen a train tapli?
What is that?
Have you
Oh
seen
my
Agban
God.
tapli?
हाँ?
Agban tapli.
That
Agban
is
tapli
bad.
देखा है मैं, train tapli देखा तो I've seen somebody get half concussion because of train tapli.
अच्छा,
The other
but moving
station
train
पर-
से.
It's taken too lightly. It's taken too lightly.
Yeah.
It's quite aggressive to do
Yeah.
it. Like you should be offended if somebody
Yeah.
does that to you. Like maybe one friend in your life you allow that to.
हाँ.
कि तू मेरा बहुत अच्छा दोस्त है.
And even then you're just like, fucking don't do that.
But not like Will Smith friendship की तो मेरी मतलब मेरी family में मतलब.
Also tapli is so aggressive that I think every person has a quota of taplis. That the moment you go over that na, the
Then
person
you're,
gets angry.
Quota means like what? 7 taplis are okay for someone.
Like you know people are like at age wise tapli होता है ना, अभी तो 10th में गया 12th में गया, the tapli becomes more aggressive. 5th standard 4th standard it's playful. You know it's I don't know, maybe you were hit 4th standard 5th standard जोर से टपली I don't know, but
नहीं ठीक
it's
है.
a bit
नहीं हमारे
playful
तो
like
बाल काटने के टाइम भी होता था ताजी.
हाँ,
तो
वो
that's
होता है,
40 kids who hit you. So
Oh,
it's
yes.
not just one.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
like and Lal
that
Batti
is
Hari
it,
Batti. People don't know all this. They are from very civilized schools, right? Who English podcast कर रहे हो तो लोग जो audience होगी उनको नहीं पता होगा. पर recess के time पे बोलते थे ना लाल बत्ती हरी
You
बत्ती.
want, there's a knob there that you can.
That's okay. हाँ तो वो सब सारी क्लास की लड़के आगे मारते तो 50-60 टपली भी मार दी किसी को तो कोई
अरे
बड़ी बात
लाल बत्ती हरी बत्ती is such a appropriation of a signal
Yeah.
for violence.
नहीं.
लोग टीचर दिख रहा है कॉरिडोर में, नहीं अब हरी बत्ती हरी बत्ती हरी बत्ती.
अभी मारा.
Yeah.
Dude, मेरे
Not that मारना गलत है. That is not part of the conversation.
No, मेरे को
ये
याद
boys
है,
school में ही हो सकता है.
5th standard में you go into secondary section सुबह का school है ना, first unit test I'm just walking with like ये textbook वगैरह to this, someone comes hits me hard on the back and goes best of luck. And apparently that's the thing, you hit people and say best
Hops
of
and
luck.
bats got banned ना, that was a game.
Yeah.
Hops and
वो
bats got
बहुत
banned.
ज़्यादा खराब था.
मतलब you have to take
बैंड
this.
मतलब अब मेरा
बैंड मतलब वो इतना जोर से मारा कुछ बच्चों को कि पेपर में आ गया कि वो उसको हॉस्पिटलाइज करना पड़ा. Some crap happened in the 90s. And then all school said this is not allowed in our school. If we see this, it's going to be rusticated. तो बंद कर दिया स्कूल. But ट्यूशन पे होता था फिर भी. वो नहीं कि अगर तू हॉप्स बोले बिना खड़ा हो गया तो
बैठने के पहले बोल.
वो बहुत जोर से मारते थे.
I've seen it.
Some fucking psychopaths.
Yes, yeah.
No, because now there's finally permission to hit someone.
Yeah.
Like, you know,
And I'm following rules, हाँ.
तू भी बॉयज स्कूल में था क्या? तूने कैसे देखा ये सब? ये सब बॉयज स्कूल में ही ज्यादा होता है.
Most of my friends.
कोविड में भी होता है.
No, I was for 2 years. I was in a military school, which was boys' school on steroids.
Where,
Plus Pune.
Okay.
So and you know why I was in a military school? Because both my parents were cops. Now, so my dad had a very overbearing personality. So around 4th standard ka baad, my mom was like, "Arey, you know, he needs a very non-threatening atmosphere to grow and flourish."
Sure.
So she sent me to a military school.
Yeah.
You know, where at least here she was there to regulate the noise.
Yeah.
There, though, she wasn't there, and there's 200 people of different ages.
Yeah.
You know, so you definitely realize तेरा भाकर रोटी तू नहीं खाने वाला है. तेरा Shrewsbury biscuit तू बांटने वाला है. You know, you have to get known with the prison system.
Yeah.
You know, and that's how I learned a lot of things.
Yeah.
And not only that, my friends till now, like my closest circle of friends, they're all from a boys' school, full boys' school. So even now, there is a game where when we get in an elevator together after drinking, we put our hands
Oh,
in front of
that,
our
yeah,
dick.
that
Because
was-
if your hand is not in front of your dick, guess what?
Still at this age, we also used to have it.
33, 34.
Dude, हम लोगों ने तो बंद कर दिया ये सब 19-20 साल की उम्र के
Nah,
बाद.
if we are just hanging out by ourselves at night or yeah. And suddenly you have to be like aware
Yeah.
of
That's
situation.
That's how cavemen kept each other alive.
Then there are two friends in the whole group who played ops and bats even like अभी भी शादी का बाद खेलता रहेगा ops and bats.
क्या पागल है?
That condition is followed. Like it's a tradition
No,
now.
but it's like it will hurt, and also
You're old
it's like
now.
you find better ways of entertainment and channeling your energy, right, when you grow up.
Now it's nostalgic.
Yeah, अभी तो अभी podcast सुन लेते हैं ऐसा करते हैं.
नहीं,
Ops and
नहीं.
bats
Yes.
अभी nostalgia है वो. अभी ये तो बचपन की याद. Because now all your memories hitting each
Really
other.
nostalgia, Ops and bats. थोड़ा nostalgia पीछे छोड़ देना चाहिए ना.
नहीं ना.
हर
यही
aspect
था.
Yeah,
हर एस्पेक्ट में nostalgia, even violence.
yeah. क्या मार खाता था मैं. ये कोई दिन थे.
Yeah, that's how people remember their parents also. ना मेरा बाप मेरे को बहुत मारता था.
हाँ
तेरे
वो
से
तो
नहीं था, मेरे से नहीं
Indian
था, that's it.
parents being physically abusive is romanticized for no
Yeah,
reason. They're like अरे ये मेरी माँ होती तो क्या मारती. हमने कि दोनों गलत है. Like
हाँ।
अगर ये रील पे कोई किसी को मार रहा है तो ये नहीं होना चाहिए, और तेरी माँ अगर और मारती तो अभी तुझे हंसी आ रही है,
हाँ।
पर शायद बिकॉज तू थेरेपी पे नहीं गया अब तक, तो तुझे रियलाइज हो तुझे कैसे इफेक्ट हुई
तुझे
है
सिर्फ वही पता है प्यार का.
Yeah.
नहीं अभी तो हंस रहा है क्योंकि now you're imagining you hitting your own child.
Yeah.
You know that is basically
Everything is
the.
like I love you, I love you, I love you.
अभी मैं खुद भी मारेगा किसी को लीगली मारेगा वो भी.
Yeah.
That's a nice. And nobody's going to stop. I think Indian scenario में it hasn't come to that extent where
नहीं
people
वो
are
तो नहीं.
like.
मेरे को तो टीचर में वो है, पेरेंट्स वर टू नेग्लेक्टफुल टू केयर अबाउट मी इन जनरल, बट मेरे को एक टीचर, हिंदी टीचर ने 10th स्टैंडर्ड में साल में 2 लाफे तो मारे थे.
हाँ.
10th में. Damn, dude.
And I was the topper. I was very good at languages. Other subjects, I was never that great. So 60%, you know.
हाँ.
Class में 20th आ गया, 40 में से, that kind of thing. मतलब middle of the way student, but my languages marks are always on the higher end. और SSC के language toppers like me, मतलब 100 में से 72, 68, 73 ये मिलता है, और जो अगर टॉपर है उसको 79 मिल गया. किसी को 100 और 100 नहीं मिलता लैंग्वेज में, जैसे चूतिए CBSE स्टूडेंट्स को मिलता है.
नहीं,
Which
अभी
makes
SSC
sense.
में
I agree
मिलता
with the SSC system in that, because what, you're perfect at that language. You're just perfect. You're 100 on 100 in English. Now there's
not
nothing to learn.
possible.
What nonsense. No, English and Hindi teacher. I used to do well in a subject, but then behavior reasons, maybe she slapped me or some shit twice.
मेरा स्कूल में slap get हुआ था उल्टा. One student had slapped the Hindi teacher
Oh shit.
because she had just gone with it and she slapped him. So he got so pissed off, he slapped her. Like immediate reaction. And after that, she did not know what to do. और उसके
Do I
बाद
slap again?
और उसके बाद जो फैल गया, वो डिस्पर्सल के वक्त सब लोग नीचे उतरता है ना लाइन में. हर एक इसमें you can just hear that. Like अभी विल स्मिथ का कैसा स्लैप गेट हुआ, वैसा विदाउट इंटरनेट हुआ था. हर प्रीफेक्ट इसको बोला शे बात मत कर. सब टीचर लोग एक दूसरे को, अरे वो लड़के को किधर लेके गया, उसका माँ बाप को बुलाया क्या? Because immediate all the other teachers were also like,
मेरे साथ भी हो सकता
no, don't hit back, okay? That is not the.
But the teachers, मतलब I don't want to go in that, because मैं वो memory में गया तो मैं बहुत emotional हो
नहीं,
जाऊंगा.
नहीं,
But
नहीं,
teachers being bullies is very common in our culture. And couple of teachers bullied me so badly that they deserved slaps. There are some teachers who, like, you remember, they did something good for you. My Hindi teacher, my English teacher, you know, they took a lot of care of my education. But कुछ teachers थी जो हरामखोर types. They were men in my case, 2 of them, and they bullied me like really ruthlessly, and they deserve slaps. Because they were very physically violent and they were massive bullies, so they deserve. तो ये तो मतलब SSC schools में issue है कि
You can't.
That is not an
कि
SSC school thing.
it's not an SSC school thing, you're right, maybe, yeah. मतलब
No,
but whatever school में मॉनिटरिंग कम है, जहाँ पे मालूम है कि स्कूल इतना फैंसी नहीं है, तो पेरेंटल इन्वॉल्वमेंट ज्यादा नहीं होगा, तभी बच्चों को यहाँ भेजा है और समथिंग लाइक दैट. आई डोंट नो व्हाट
I've taught in an IB school. We were told we can't.
you can't touch the student. Yeah,
Forget touch the student. Dude. We weren't allowed red color pens to check papers.
that's too much.
Because
This
red
is
is
too
an
much.
red is
Come on,
aggressive color.
Oh come on, that's ridiculous.
I'm not joking. They gave us purple colored pens, dude.
That's dumb.
वो भी
For
sketch pen,
spelling mistake. हाँ, for
Sketch pen,
spelling mistake.
That's dumb. I mean, there are some points in life where you will get a red check, like in life also, right?
सिग्नल इधर हर जगह पे
red ही
जानबूझ
Red
के वापर
कैसा
रहा
है?
है वो. जानबूझ के वापर रहा है
Yeah,
वो.
don't. What red is saying is don't do that.
Yeah, it's danger.
Yeah,
Bro,
but
you
it's
want
not. But don't do that doesn't mean discouragement. It just says don't do that. Do something else.
to- Yeah.
Be better.
Yeah.
That's fine. ये बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया भाई. Red pen allowed नहीं. You had told me this at a show also once.
Well, it is one of the bits that
You
I
told me
end
this.
up doing teaching का bit में. But yeah, that is the world we live in, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why you have to be worried about people who are happy about zip wallets, whom we are not against, and everybody else.
Yeah,
You know,
guys,
that
just
is one
like-
thing I noticed, man. You clarified your stance every moment in the podcast.
Yeah.
वो लोग कभी against कुछ नहीं है.
Yeah. Basically मतलब मैं वो स्कूल से हूँ जो एंड्रू शूल्स जिनसे इंस्पायर्ड है, मतलब वो
हाँ.
क्रिस रॉक और वो टाइप के
Yeah.
कॉमिक्स जो जस्ट लुई जो जस्ट टू और बिलबर जो लाइक for the
You want to
sake
say
of
it
say the worst thing you can to get a laugh and don't mean it, but हमारे यहाँ पे ये genre of comedy इतना popular नहीं हुआ अभी तक, तो फिर when you're saying the worst thing possible you also have to say कि I don't really believe this.
Correct.
जैसे तूने वो कुछ word बोला तो we don't really mean it,
Yeah.
but वो बोलने में मजा आता है.
No, and that is also an anecdote.
मजा आता है meaning because वो taboo है इस reason
Yeah.
से, not because you really hateful as a person.
No, also it's an
कोई भी
anecdote.
चीज देखो अगर लोग बोलते रहे कि ये मत बोल ये मत बोल ये मत बोल और तेरे मन में नफरत है ही नहीं, पर वो वर्ड मतलब वो वर्ड तुझे बोल रहे ये मत बोल लोग अज्यूम करेंगे तुझे नफरत है, तू जितना वो चीज दबाते जाएगा तू उसको रिकॉन्टेक्चुअलाइज करके बोलेगा मेरा कॉन्शियस क्लियर है, अभी लेट्स ब्रेक द हवा इन दिस रूम, यहाँ पे इतना टेंशन है अराउंड सेइंग दिस सेइंग दैट, सो वो कॉन्ट्रेरियन होने के लिए बोलता है, सो यू हैव टू मेक दैट क्लियर बिकॉज इट्स नॉट
Yeah, I
दैट वी
agree.
डोंट हैव एनी कमेडियन लाइक दैट हु इज नोन फॉर बीइंग दैट,
I know.
बट आई एंजॉय डूइंग
And it'll take a long time, and it's fine. It's
it'll take a
fair.
time, it'll take a time.
Yeah,
It'll take a
it'll
time,
long
okay?
Yeah.
No, it will take some time.
Yeah, it'll
so.
take-
Is that fight between
Like some
people saying words are important and us saying no, they are not. We say
Yeah,
it
the
every
intent
day.
is important, but हाँ इसके लिए मैं थोड़ा वो justify कर रहा हूँ. Maybe in the future I'll do it less. अगर लोग
It's
मुझे-
fine, bro.
Yeah.
The next episode, we'll see a completely different personality
Yeah.
of Bhavesh Ailani. All right.
Fuck this shit. That's the beginning of the episode.
Yeah. But yes, you have heard how we talk about anxiety, weird shit that happens in our thing. If you enjoyed the episode, do mention in the comment section if you found something interesting, something that you might want us to ask Bhavesh later on. Do share that. Do follow him on Instagram and YouTube, as I mentioned. Subscribe to our channel as well. The tags are again over here. You're going to be putting out something soon on
yeah,
YouTube.
I'm shooting a crowd work video. Let's see, but I already have a lot of reels that
Yeah.
a lot of people might have not discovered yet.
Yes.
So if they are watching and if they like it, they share it. It will help.
Check out the reel section, huh?
Yes.
He's got some funny stuff on the reel section. And if ever you're frustrated, listen to me. Go on to his reel section and just start listening to all of the different voices. That will make you feel a bit relaxed. You know?
Thanks a
That's it, ladies and gentlemen. Please do subscribe. See you at the next
Take care.
yeah,
Next episode.
Next episode.
Bye.
Bye-bye.